Sinyawa cha artist mara utakumba the button ka tinji.
I remember Bukuin.
Ya hleka khoza. Di bata tinji and do messy poster yana. Poster ya tiro bata tinji.
And kulaveka metric. Bata tinji.
Ivan vanga fika va tirhandela ngoma ta yena.
Etikhomba.
Ivan promote. Yes. Itikhomba.
Masewa
thawula. Yes.
Etikhomba tingu promote.
Ngoma liya yi fiki karata ngopfu hi December. Lembe ra kona. And ngoma liya vete yume vo I think I yume vo February March ala.
Na ya rivere.
Sure. Exactly. All right, Diman.
Go fika ti Lacoste. Urovona David ne mara adasu cause
adasu
hayi kusay fasini ditaki adikathembi adasu urokuyi hayi ti Lacoste go tingena
the bug guy
uyingisela
Black Chinese adingisela
from the first song to the last song
Jojo
I'm being honest with you from the Rasela man.
Jojo imanyana kam. Please go revisit the album and then come back and tell us.
Yeah, please revisit.
Revisit that. That lady is good.
What on the problem ne?
Le ishangani gang. La ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumerisaka Gaza. Vumene. Vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo. Hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi i Xangani gang. Shangi.
Tshama na hina eka Xangani Gang Podcast Network. Hi Ravumbirhi rin'wana na rin'wana evhikini hafu ku bile awara ya 12. Mi nga kayeli leswi. Hi swi twini, mi swi twini. Hi mi tisela to hisa kumenemene na mavarivari eka Gaza. Kasi Ravumune ra vhiki na vhiki hi mi khomele mbulavulo wa leti na letiya. Hi ya emahlweni hi dyondzisa, hi hlohlotela no hlayisa ndhavuko wa Xitsonga xerhu. Twanani la. Sonta rin'wana na rin'wana Ravumbirhi en'hwetini hi ku ya hi vhiki. Hi ku phamela swakudya swa tindleve evunangeni. Hi mbulavulo wa tiqambi teru na eximoyeni hi pfuxelela vukhumeri ni mbulavulo. Seketela, rhandza u tlhela u avelana na van'wana. Tena eka Xangani Gang Podcast Network.
Okay, minjhani matsonga machangana ekwakwala musika kona. Mi nga mi ri Bush, mi nga mi ri Tsanini, mi nga mi ri Malamulele Giyani kumbe xana Phalaborwa. Ni nga rivali n'wana mi nge le Majoni na kun'wana. Matsonga hi le ndhawini hinkwato. Ni le Mozambique. Dosh la mga kona
Dosh 3 4 5
ya 4
centro on nove dash
stop back okay ile EVUNANGENI another heated episode must talk na hitisa leswi swi nga busy nkarhi walowo and David lawa hina slogan lexi mi xi tivaka na n'wana ku a hi zone munhu and a hi avanyisi munhu ho hlela vunanga
ntsena
so kuna ku vanhu mitangari va ta catch loko hi hlela vunanga bya vona ava catch mara a va zone hi va nga ri ku va zone so hi nge tumbechi Dee Roka loko swin'wana swi nga mitangari n'wana swi mi himisa kahle hi ngoma yo karhi kumbe xana maendlelo ma karhi ma ntlambi swi vule
swa fail sweswo
swa fail a swi fail swi fana na sweswo loko a yi chayi Mr David bulangu a yi chayi endlela yale mara vanhu lava hi nga ta va kha hi hlela hi vona ne loko tsika hi vule ku a timhaka to hava zonda kumbexani a hi va twisisi hi leswi hi twisaka xiswona n'wina mi nga ka hi ngoma n'wina mi nga ka hi chayi ne mini ku ya chayi i matyelo ma mina cause hi nge vi na matyelo mo fana ma swi vona so njhani Mr David
mpfukeni
hayi pfuke kharinyana hi nga ri na n'wina
masikunyana
kanyana hi nga ri na n'wina ene show
munhu a nga tshamiseki man
ku busy
tshama ku ri busy
yini busy
ni va ni ri busy swi va swi ri private tshama a ri busy
ana kumbexani maybe mi le musicini ku se mone mi ri busy mi release beat xin'wana ka challenge kumbe i yini challenge a ku ri challenge
I think Mr David ayizama ku endla Gaza that day yone
no anizama
ku ngena
challenge man
ngena ka challenge yani ngikwa challenge mi nga ngena ka yona
no challenge
ya xigubu
challenge leyi mina nga ngena ka yona
ya xigubu
ya xigubu
I'm serious
Ngari serious.
And then ngumiri mbona kai buy.
Kuna one wa we post I think 1 week back.
Yes guys. Yeah, I'm sample so.
I was sampling an Afrobeat guitar into a Shigaza sound. That's what I was.
Milo exploring kahle maybe.
And
then don't produce.
Nindlang kwaso kahle cause mona occupied swin'wana and then
one day ne swi loko yi nga ri ko Mr David hi hlela ta yona tingoma
Cause loko yi
twa ku ta chaya or ti china
cause loko yi ri kona u nga fa u chava no
mara ta mina
ati chai
ta khale na ani tshama no humesa music
no
So-
I'm ta khala la
so ani mi kuma ku khala ni nga swi tivi leswi ni swi tivaka sweswi music se mi ta mi nga ri fair mi jaja swi swa khale
oh mara mina na mina ni yevulwa hi mjolo ya khale
mo humesa
ya 19
humesani yin'wana mi ta kota ku vona ku
a wu humesini
oh ni nga mess hi
u humesini swilo tsaka
Yin'wana-
yin'wana ya ku
Ya December.
ya December na yin'wana futhi
mina kahle okay
Khala kaya
hi ku ya hi DJ ne hi ku ya hi DJ swi yo tsanda ne hi ku ya hi mina ani market swi like mina ni serious kahle loko ni ta va serious ko mi nga ta jaja kahle ku stand kumbe standang na maswona mara a hi telangi hina lava hi le vunangeni DJ
leunangeni ne
yeah
one thing people should know la u swi vurini kumbe ku tlhela swi vula futhi
yeah
loko hi ri ka segment leya hina ya vunangeni people need to understand ku ri we don't hate anyone
no
a hi zondi munhu people need to understand ku ri loko ni fika ni ku xixa wena laha a xi tshamisekangi you need to go back u endla exikolweni a va swi vitana ku i corrections
ndzulamiso
yeah hi ku ya hi loko u ri ntirhweni va swi vula ku you must go back to the drawing board one twisisa so they need to go back and check ku ri ti analysis ta vanhu ti ri yini one twisisa
Yeah.
so that loko u endla ngoma leyi taka you need to improve as a person you need to improve as an artist u nge tshami kha u tlanga swa yi-one loko ni kha ni tana Mr David a ni kha ni yingisela tingoma ta artist yin'wana hi nga ta vulavula hi yo kwana
ametang podcast ndleleni
it's something lexi nga ni vilerisa ne I was listening to this song ni ri twa ri ri kahle at that time one twisisa ri le ku tlangeni loko ri hela it's an album loko ri hela ku nghena the following song lera ro sungula ri la leri nghena ku ra vumbirhi ri tshami la
volume
volume yes so it's one thing leswi a ni kha ni byela Mr David ni ku artist ta hina ta Matsonga they need to be careful or they need to take it into
ku master
consideration
munhu
it's another thing lexi hi nga xi vula na Mr David ku ri another thing lexi khosaku swo fana sweswo i timhaka ta ku u na ti-producer to hambanahambana but then
album yan'wasati
ya n'wanuna but then mina hi ku ya hi mina loko u ri artist Jojo ne loko u endla album you can have 100 producers but have one producer that is gonna do the touch-ups
mastering,
ta tingoma hinkwato because I don't wanna listen to your song yi ni tungula tindleve the next song yi twala kahle the other one yi vuya yi ni tungula tindleve futhi it doesn't
and xin'wanyana hi nga tlhe hi vulavula hi xona i ku swi vanga hi ku ti-produce a ti nyikani ti-project and kuma ku hi la ku hungutanyana volume nyana ya xin'wana mara munhu a nga ku nyiki project i ku nyika a wave file or an MP3
that's
and
what
you
upload.
cannot do much with that so if ki kuma ku munhu loyi a nga fika a beat yi te yi helerile halawa weyi wo fika endla everything leswi swi endlaka a henhla ka swilo leswi nga hetiseka hambiloko u lava ku cinca swin'wanyana vhele va chaka ku ta ni kopela va ta vona xitayele xa
elements ta mina
swo fana nyana
swi tika ngopfu ku mastera an audio file a swi olovangi ku mastera
unless loko munhu a ku tisela yo yi ri
yi ri
tisela
mastered or but swa tika because u na ti-vocal leti fanele ku ti chela phela loko u chela ti-vocal remember loko u chela ti-vocal ka an audio file leyi already yi nga let me just say it's a song already we fika u chela ti vocal you still need to balance those things kuna ti elements to karhi la ka audio file ya leti nga ta ka ti nga fambelana na ti vocal leti nga ti chela
na leswi yi nga masters
na leswi yi nga masters
na leswi yi nga ta masters
so skona vele vanhu va munhu let's say kuma ku munhu amfana mchaya ti vocal ka ngoma mina mina yo tlanga ivi ni mnyeka praise if like ni endla nhleni mastera like beat ya mina ivi ni mnyeka no chela ti vocal vanhu lisa swona
tirhisa sweswo
another thing xi dlaya ku vanhu ne remember I once said this ku ri FL Studio loko u exporta file ya yona munhu lowo ka a nga swi tivi u ta twa nga ku yi master one pieces ta twa nga ku say already the song
until ya tlanga ka
xipikara xa right
xa papa ngateko ina music
serious
ina music ya ris
hi ku loko se mi kuma ku ya tlangiwa ka music lowu nga wa stadium or a clubeni la nga na sound ya serious if ki kuma ku ri ti vocal na beat swa hlangana and then awe halifanitli at that voice ku ri ta kota ku entertain a crowd yi khomisiwe mic leswi huma ku hala xipikareni a swi hlangana and then mi nga rivali ku ri ti-artist ta ku tala ka live performance vo follow up leswi already sweswo ndzi nga ko twala huwa so but mi kuma ku ngoma i hit loko yi twala fonini mara a hi hit loko ya twala a swipikareni leswikulu na timovha teto mi kuma ku ri ti tele hi swipikara
okay vakulukumba se ya mahlweni ne kuna swi n'wini komela
nata ku stop na swi tiva hi lava ku vulavula hi leswi hi lavaka ku vulavula hi swona but there's one thing that we can't continue hi nga vulavulanga hi swona
mole swi vula hi nexe
u swi vula
yin'wana leya ni lava ku yi vula hi nexe liya
wo ni vula leya number
kuna
one
yin'wana leya ni ta yi vula hi nexe
la ku vula
a la ngoma ti chayela
la ku vula leya number one
Yeah.
kuna leya yin'wana futhi mani kambe va ri hi le kwini lani
lawani le
hi
midrange
le midrange ne na swakudya va xavisa lani
kuna swakudya la swo va swi xavisaka kuna a golf course
Yeah.
mata tlanga golf lawani kuna a car wash mata mta timovha kuna a coffee shop
ni voni na gym halaya nga ri ku na gym halaya ku na gym halaya ne
kuna gym ne
yes
ya
na gym
na gym yi kona vafana hina
sila maybe munhu hamba fika hi 1 hour before a nga
tlakala nyama sambuluka
a ni nge boloki
and then kuna ndhawu yo vonela kona sports ni nga tsaku yini
na va yisela va ri ku voni ka bolo laya sweswi
ya ene kuna mabyala na vona mabyala so va ta chila lawani it's either la kuna kofi nga na kofi byala nga na byala va tlanga golf nga tlanga golf la ku jima nga jima loko wa ha tshame u khandla swa wena wa va nyika movha va ku hlatswela wona la se leswi endlaka swi humelela ka midrange.
and then another thing a wu hlela music ntsena ka podcast leyi ne
Yeah.
we are an award winning podcast
Yes,
Award
that one
winning podcast.
you wouldn't need to allow.
we are an award winning podcast
swibeleni
And I hope that I podcast yo sungula
sungula ka Xitsonga ku wina award o ku wina sagwadi
and ari yo xaviwa
I'm sure
I believe ka ku xava
ai xava
swi phaza hi swi tivi
hi lo switirhela
Hey.
loko ma ha ri ka ku wina ne xin'wana xa kona guys loko kha hi hlela music la hi fa hi khoma topics tin'wana hi David to swi kahle ku artist yi va na backup nyana yo karhi maybe business maybe xikolo loko swi nga fambi kahle swa vuqambi hi nga venture to that mabo
Yeah.
so vanhu loko yi vuliwe nga Facebook ngonya leyiwani i graduate
yi vuli kahle yi vuli kahle
yimbale bandi ra vunharhu yi na mabandi ngonya leyiwani so DJ mi tirheni congratulations
thank you guys
swinene amkhenisa swinene swi kahle ngopfu loko ma hi motivate ku hi fa hi phenaphenyana tibuku nyana kumbe hi endlanyana swin'wanyana so hi nga tshameke loko ni nga ngoma leyi yibi va ku na yini
exactly
so ngoma ku na mabandi
ndaku na mabandi mana but okay one thing people should know ne ungevi artist ntsena I think this one I fanele ku mhaka leyi yi tumbeta you can't just be an artist alone One twisties. Unless artist liya ya ku wena say you are fully established. You make
Awalavi
nchumu. Okay, I'll just give an example. Utfanela nabo Shimza can't go back to school.
And she pays the man.
Why twisties? Black Coffee can't go back to school because he's fine. One twisties, but look, urumuntu utfanela na mina or I can't say kuna artist yaga Gaza. Let me just be honest. That artist amatsonga ngwatu. I don't think kuna artist leyi ni ngata ku
I
fanelanga ivana swin'wana side.
And then look, yeah, check. Shimza na my business.
Exactly.
Black Coffee.
I'm a business.
Lerero, even with enough money that's coming from the
You
music
still must have
they
something.
Also have something on the side that keeps them busy. Magago, music will not season. We cannot always shout your name the whole year. Kuna season yawela ingata China tawe. Nangaro nganyana loko umesa kahle mingisela na ndyangu wangu ina. Ina right at the moment. So slanga lo iva ku right the music wawe. Eva evikish iva ku okay. No ntapfana kan pusha xigolo nyana. Loko se nta humesa in'wanyana va irhandza. I will come back. Things like
Example.
And Kawiyo.
Tinyavatsa artist. Mara. Yeah. Tinyavatsa awu Steve.
Tinyavatsa wembelela musa buku in 17 Carolina.
Hey. Tinyavatsa artist mara utakuma dir button ka tinji.
Buku I remember buku.
Yahleka cause di bata tinji and do Messi poster yana. Poster ya tiro bata tinji.
And the kulaveka metric.
Dila metric.
But I think
Dila metric kukuthola.
When ba bata tinji. Oh, tinyawa mama desira singo.
And I metric tsena ni wa pure maths loko endli maths ni
Dila ku tihlayela.
Adla Robi. Okay guys, xin'wana xa kona hina a hi se swi vulavula EVUNANGENI la. Again la ku congratulate Mr. Mdaka.
Yeah.
Mr. Mdaka I munhu loyi a nga cata Saturday leyi nga liya yi nga hundza.
Liya yin'wana.
I think mi ya yi vorini episode leyiwa mara ya yi cati Saturday Mr. Mdaka. Hi ti 2 ta May after sekini se i n'wanuna loyi a nga na ndyangu.
Mr. Mdaka masitaku hana vavatiri.
Re Gaza Bosch.
Kula hile ka Gaza Bosch.
Na loko mo botire ya loko mo Mr. Mdaka.
Sta hlupa ne.
Ani sweswi yi cincile.
Na mi la fona ku ri Gaza Bosch se cici se Mr. Mdaka ku ri everything addresses as Mr. Mdaka.
No magosa seka va motivate ku ri kota ku vona n'wanuna loko a kha a kula fana cinca swin'wana.
So na semle
better deaf.
Motivate ka hi ndlela ya ku leswi swi langutaku na swi navela.
o meta meta.
No ku teka ni ta teka no ni nga swi tivi ku ri mara ku teka swo boha n'wimi loko helela
Va no hi la ngwe leswana. Va kona na lava
se
Let's get David I get in market. Info.
Sure.
A lot has been happening ne. Ku ve na ti single ta ku tala ti nga huma. Mavhiki lama nga hela. So lava hi na ti single to hlaya nyana ni nga ti lista ne. Lava hi teka one by one. And kombe ku hi vulavula ntiyiso. Na kombe ku hi vulavula ntiyiso hi nga chivi.
Yeah.
So ya one hi nga sungula hi Jelezi imona ne ya the crazy na sign free ne one HDM here this time na sign free
na this other guy who produce
decide
aku produce song decide I forgot his name
like sign free who credit doing that song
ka cover let me check I think who credit doing but sign free
let's
vocalist
check it quickly.
Yeah, baking, yes. Baking side.
Baking ne. Jelezi imona ne.
Baking.
Sesimkate bumarasa kwale.
Ile xikolweni na. Yeah, he produced with KC Beats and Simon.
KC Beats.
In time for ne?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I recall.
Yeah, so some yeah, I think Becky, I think Bian Shiv for Kalanchai, but the crazy create the song.
Yeah.
Like local Ramirita must talk that show and let's one hour less, so much very lawan bago Karungan banga stick, but work with some rasa free. Kadra the crazy. Agulera right now, and I'll come here. I should go to the crazy.
Now
Now I'm John, but now.
Cavalia go in the mina.
Yeah, and Miss David Min at the car, man. One of us
Graphic
Steve.
designer.
One of us Steve. Hey,
Graphic
graphic design.
designer, photographer. Na produce kaza kaza nda swilo hinkwaswo.
That's one of the
So I heard that song and I like the fact Yago is my homeboy. He can stand on his own. Cause look, kumagure ina power ya munhu loyi fambaka na yena. You work with someone who's big already.
Yeah.
Nkarhi wun'wanyana swi nga endla ku hi nga twali. Mara on that song what they did they made sure ku munhu la twalaka ngopfu the crazy.
Yes.
Throughout the song. Sign Free was just there to back up and help him carry the song forward. So access ya munhu loyi already anga duma. Aswi vuli ku ri every song that you have he must be there because ku humelela swo tala ka music na le vuton'wini leswi hambanisaka vanhu. Nga kuma mga hambanisi swi ka music mi hambanisa hi swi le vuton'wini. Ivi you must carry on. Va ka a wu dlaya loko
because
nkarhi lowu a wu ri na munhu wa swona so. Ni tala ku nyika example hi Prince Rangani. When we get to know Prince Rangani, a ku ri vuvuzela. But the time he started working with Benny Mayengani and Benny Mayengani being a bigger superstar. Aku nga ha ri na album leyi a yi nga ri na Benny Mayengani and if kuma ku ri it's couple of songs, it's not few songs. So wa swi tiva ku a hi tshama hi ri na mentality ya ku loko humesa Rangani beat twa Benny Mayengani. And then loko va fika va yima va nga ha tirhi swin'we everyone loyi a yela ku ya twa Benny Mayengani plus loko ku tlhe ku va na saga nyana la ku va ku na drama vanhu va separate va ku okay na we'll go with this one ala van'wana va na hina hi ta famba na loyiwa se swi kwalani swi fika swi endla ku i va na ti-enemies to tala na hina so mara loko ku kuma ku hi kote ku tiyimela hi wexe throughout i teka feature ya munhu loyi nga kusuhi na yena laha na laha mara not ka tinghoma hinkwato swi endla ku loko se i ta sala i ri one i kota ku tiyimela.
Yeah. Ni mana n'wina. In fact from ngomalayo Anlo Stark. Xi ve xi kha xi comes ku xitimela xi ri wexe na leya xi nga bana mansandle. Ma swi tiva ku kahle hi xo xitimela.
Yeah.
So the song jelezi mona ne loko mina yi twa ne. Ni tsakusima ku the crazy a xi cincanga leswi nga swona. I think the crazy I munhu wa message man. Ai munhu wo cinisa tingwahla. I munhu wa message.
Munhu wa tingoma ta vakhalabya of ka hlupha hi generation leyi anga ka yona ku ri a nge hi beli tingoma ta
vakhalabya
ta vakhalabya
ka nkarhi lowa
i fana ba swilo leswi nga ta swi ri na ku cinisa tingwadla xikarhi swi ri na
yeah so that song ro tirha
rhuketela
thengenyi
wa nga tivi leswin'wana mara wadla rhuketela
xiyutha Mbolovisani.
Mala man'wana nxo mara ngwadla.
Ngwadla swa tirha swa mabebe mako mabebe. Dikotho leri bebe leri ngelori. So the crazy name so ku vula mabebe ka realize ingoma ya wena ngwe. Ide kule ngona swa mabebe. Mara ngoma le DJ.
Yeah.
Tasi mako okay mina ne loko ni ri wexe Mr David DJ. Tingoma leti besaka ne lela ton la ku twa message kumbe la ku dyondza swin'wana mchana la ya swi taniya malo va ku ya gigini and la tona leta tikole ndzi lava ku tele gigini la loko ka yibane ta fika ntsaka so jelezi mona ne it's a good song, it's a motivational song yina ku rilanyana ku nitsikeni ani ngo why mean lawyer loko ni ya ve ri lawyer n'wina boy jala ku ninga ake and everything. It's a good song, well produced. Ni feel nga re ko ba demand arna sa inflation do music wa yena o bana quality. Yeah, quality it's a matter of ka sentam fan lwa. So mina I'm happy with the song. I'm very happy, and if log va indlela ya bakhala angayithi if young trailer if ukota yona ai mahlweni yo aziboy ku ya cinela xipikara ku ta ku ngitiwa.
True.
Merini.
Kucina xipikara ku nanga mo cinela xipikara
Okay.
cina xipikara yo i ton lava ku to gigini letiya loko ku ni ya palms ne la kana cina xipikara i ton lava ku swona mara ni nge fike palms ivi munhu va ku jelezi mona nta tsaka mara vibe ta va yiri ndlela yin'wana but yeah ai mahlweni na ngoma letiya jelezi mona
Yeah, ni itwile ne Jelezimon. One thing I like about that song, both of you mngasuvula ku ina message. Listening to the message, you know karungwayan loko ngoma uyingisela. It's either there's only two things leswi nga ta fika shuku khoma ka ngoma. It's either you like the beat or you like the message ka ngoma. It's only two things
so why we say
Antlek
ni rhandza hi ngoma liya
ka ngoma liya ni rhandza okay message na uranda but I like the production more.
DJ
You know why?
Tama ka itshinya ngonya lewani like story ai kuri ya xibambetela ene ya ka ku ai avanyisi DJ ngoma liya mi rhandza beat message na
Ni rhandza beat yayo. Yes. Rhandza beat yayo. You know why I like the beat yayo?
Yeah.
I think it's already na before kuri. I don't know who's producing the crazy ane. Mite iman lang producer.
KC and Simon.
The producer is making sure kuri we don't lose the Nzumba touch with the Shigazashama 2K touch. 2K, not 2K. Was to say, if you can listen to that song, you can take that song ufika utlangana ngoma yayo one laying a producer by Prince Rangani before, not now. Before Shigazashama 2K, Shama 2K. You can listen to that song, we compare na ngoma. Any song laying a producer by Prince Rangani, you will hear what I'm telling you. There's kuna this thing by Shfaka kun loro vala kuba ivitana yini that element ikona ka hypersonic.
Ikona ka nzumbalo wa Prince.
Yes, you find it on hypersonic or any nalega Cubase. There's an element because Prince would reside Cubase. So I believe Gurlo anga produce loku we produce FL we could make a hypersonic. Like yes, there's this element like ti. I'm not sure if you listen to it. Ne. Yes, you might know the I just can't remember the name yet.
It's or something.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So they made sure gore avaluzi Nzumba with Shigazashama 2K. Then that creates a different sub-genre or I don't know what to call it, but the song is good. I'm fine.
And this boy who produced Casey, he's new, so people should check him out. Yeah. I mean, he's new. Not good. It's song produce, mara people don't know him like that. So, lavanga ka some music ngopfu ava check Casey.
That doesn't go is ka last episode nge swul ngo sa free na shi blind ku tisavan what decide create song kuna Casey klar kona mara this one it's more exposure so I check in Casey la nga producer kona loko na ngoma ta yana cheka evi tomdze amahlweni kuna yin'wana ngoma yi nga huma a ni tivi tira yona man yeah yele Mozambique nga feature Bliss.
Oh, I forgot the name of those guys.
Ani yingiselangi
let me check Bliss Boy.
Mzimi yingisela
ani yingiselangi yingisele clip
kandla promo ne
mini yingiseri
idole
ni yingiseri. I don't want to lie ne. You know I ended up disagreeing with everyone Loy Ango Bliss Boy I lie.
I blame Bliss Boy my work.
Honestly, I now I don't wanna lie. I disagree with anyone Loy Ango Bliss Boy I lie. The boy is good. You know why I'm telling you this. Bliss Boy ne went from zero to hero. You understand? kuna swin'wanyana ka music or loko u tlanga bolo u rhanga va ku vitana xoka xi nga loko u sungula ku tlanga bolo you don't know what you are doing you understand but the more you get experience it's the more you improve. What I can say now Bliss Boy has improved like that boy is good that song mina ni yi rhandza because i verse ya Bliss Boy letin'wana ti-verse a ni titwi na ku tirhile I don't wanna like ni yingiselini that song but that song is good.
mina minhlamulerini
mara mata why mavonelo ya mina that song stands out I think maniga mo tala they thirst ku ndla music un'wana but Chigaza is it's kind of a jail
sorry
because
kata mkombo unchekela yona that song ani ku ikumene
it's Chigaza it can keep you you know in one place not good you will be progressing guy na magas like many of our artists they are progressing but kuna va swinavela kundla hip hop va swinavela kundla so that was a chance for Bliss Boy to venture into another sound that we don't know and it comes like as a shock hey kasi na leta so what got kasi it's something that he has been good at before Chigaza kuna risimu leri ra kabungeni it seems like J John just came up with something new all of a sudden kasi J John leswo squat kasi loko aku goodbye Chigaza ala kuyazama sweswiya mara mkamkuma ku Chigaza can give you what many artists are looking for mara mkamkuma ku to take you into a new market you have to go into something that's well established more than Chigaza. Chigaza is well established. Don't get me wrong. Chigaza is well established and it is printing money and it's making progress. Kavan with that. You'll be surprised Chigaza is even assisting Navan Lava TV. They are just producers. They are event organizers. Event organizer angaiti. Mara ile printing kamali and they print at Chigaza. So Navan Lavanga famous, they are eating from Chigaza. Ne maram kamkumakuri artist yona year one. Kuna kumani ilava kufika maram kamkumakuri. Logo se mun oi bela yali komp. Ukubona shoseta hengselirwa je. Elava nzumba elava kuchi so fana so. Mara those guys they can if we can allow them they can do more. Loko over nika chance ku von i beli ingwe ya Chigaza i bela ingwe ya hip hop i beli ingwe ya Chigaza i bela ingwe ya house in a year I don't think vanga feila ku mesa two projects EP na album or EP na EP or album na album
yeah and I think another thing shinla ku banga tsutsumeli ngovala yanda
uyikumini yini
marin
Netafela n'wina la Classic Nova.
Yes.
Rona?
Yeah, iro.
Magaza loko episode lewa nga twalisa wona kuma ku mieri ni kwenu kuna nkateko le ka mixer.
Mo producer. MS Bangwana.
Dr. Producer Khosa namhla itha.
Akune DJ.
No mimi medana professor phela ni mbali manar J. It's okay so
DJ. Kuna the song and very story later.
I from
yeah. So okay, what I love so fail. I love 1 month. I love Ganda ngai makleka. Imanyana ningoni na mumba na yele so na mumba so ndingoma na yona. Twana, ano ganda magalia before Nrevan. Ano ganda magalia Mr. David Yula. Le shishindla ku vanga lave ngopfu ku ndla tingoma leti ya tin'wana. Ileswi David a swivulaka. Ka Chigaza ku na mali at the moment. One twisisa kuna mali. Another thing machangana lama ma yingisela ku music sweswi va lava ku yingisela xigaza ngopfu more than whatever music lowu nga kona one twisisa loko wo ya 17 sweswi I'm a DJ I know loko no ya 17 mina sweswi ni fika ni tlanga afro tech or 3 step it's only few people va nga ta yima va cina but the moment u dropa track ya 1 ya xigaza you will see what's gonna happen
ambe muhume hi ni kombela u chuza siku rin'wana muhume
hi dzunganenge
kuve ku endla nga
ku va hansi yeah so that's one thing swi endlaku ku ti-artist leti ta matsonga va nga ha concentrate ku endla music lowun'wana of which when loko va switchela ka ti-genre letin'wanyana they still do good even J John a endla hip hop before if he can go back to hip hop he can be good but how many people are gonna listen to him
a few
we understand so the only way ya ku ava ari kutwaleni every time u fana andla xigaza
ya kufana na ngoma leya ya ku na swi lava ku endla hip hop mara ka xigaza na denda ya
ncabza yes
swi lava ku rap
and then Ngabza is very good guys
too much
I think nitshame ni n'wi commentela this other day I think we need more of this than leswi swi endlaku sweswi I don't wanna lie Ngabza is very good ka hip hop
Ngaza wabona comment la mina ile lo tiso kona
Ngabza is very good ka hip hop
so mira atsika xigaza ba hip hop
mira a endli ngopfu hip hop than xigaza
no utisa lelo
hi leswi ni vulaka swona a nga tshiki a endli ngopfu hip hop than xigaza because I feel like u sukeli hip hop very like ka ha ri eli ngopfu
mara hi sweswi hi swi vulaka a mi ti yingisela ta hip hop before
yeah I knew Ngabza before
okay n'wina
mara
if we wanna be honest i sungule ku vona ti-bookings
hi xigaza
to nyawulala xigazini compared to ka hip hop
okay yes Akani hit sweswo
loko vanhu va hlongorisa midende than talent
exactly
na mina ni nga teka decision yo teka mali
exactly
over anything anytime
hambi ku ri mina hi maxava sweswi na swi lava ku humesa track ya xigaza
ehloko imbelela n'wina
hayi ku nga yimbeleli mina
loko muchaya swi nga bi vula
a ku nge chayi mina hayi ni nge chayi
ku ta tembele ngateko
never
ku na vanhu van'wana mata vete yini
wo haleluya wo zana hetu
Hallelujah.
Loko na vaveriwa
amen right
stilesa vava ku akigela la andalundeni valwala
sunny side
no matala yi khoma njhani Mr David ne loko a va la hi timhaka ta a hi ri ka ya bliss ya ni wa n'wina
yes
loko hi fe hi nghena loko vheni swi na comment ka ngoma leyi ya kayo because ndzi ku sungula bliss ka ngoma leyi ya kayo ku hume mabodlela ya black meat ya me lane ngoma leyi na yi rhandza too much ngoma leyi na yi rhandza straight because swi nga affect camera leyi loko swi endlela ngoma leyi na yi rhandza too much ne ya mabodlela mara ntsakisiwa hi part ya na vulavula mani swa feyila sweswo mara ntsakisiwa hi ngoma ntsakisiwa hi part ya bliss boy part ya bliss boy ne hi nga endla ngoma leyi yi va cause black meat a yi byeki namuntlha yi sukile mabodlela ya yi sukile vele na ngoma yi ri mabodlela mara xi nge xi ku hi voboti va vibe voboti va mtlhavana voboti va mikitsikitsi xi nyiki that song live
kahle munhu luya ko munhu wa vibe
i munhu wa yes munhu wa vibe
boti wa mtakaro
hayi boti wa mtakaro
I'm waiting to hear so it might be something that will never come. I'm waiting to hear him on a sad song because it seems like munhu wa ku tsakisa vanhu in character ya yena in music I munhu wa ku tsakisa vanhu so nga kuma ku ka leti ya to swirile na mi kuma ku a strong point cha yena so vibe white is
too much
and another thing he bliss boy if you check he deliver the best got the features
than
loku be wendla a song are one.
ko mara kuna ngoma la ya shona she delivered
Yeah, Gampolo. Yeah, he delivered there. That's why Bliss Boy is that artist yaku. I think Bliss Boy was caught up Kelelanda Agune. I've got some and check himself. What I did before, I don't wanna be the same.
So,
I don't wanna be on the same level. Last. I want to be
from
better than what I did before.
From Kekaraka Ulis.
Yes. Well, I understand.
And another thing, kuna something that we cannot pinpoint into how to do this. Ka vanhu va ku fana na Bliss Boy. Kuna aura ya superstar.
Yeah.
It's not based on how talented he is. It's based on how much people love him.
Yes.
You can sing better than him, produce better than him, have a song that's better than his, but people will be happier more to see him. Kunandlela yo ingakudzela ku how to create that aura. It's there. He has it. So besides some music and everything, I think that's a God-given talent. Hey, that's a God-given talent. You command the room. It's the same thing with Benny Mayenga.
Yes.
Kuna that aura yago. It's not based on music. Because okay, we have better vocalists.
A lot.
Yeah, a lot.
We have better producers.
A lot.
For the producer, but there's an aura we cannot pinpoint where it comes from. We cannot pinpoint how to build and become like him. So it's something the recent generation. Bliss Boy is one of the people who has that thing.
Ku tseketsele ngoma le ya ke Kekaraka Ulis ne. Share performance ku rin'wana.
And check how people respond.
Maybe vanhu lava nga ka event ne a va kona ka Facebook.
Check how
and they won.
It's the very same people. So kai nga tsikari ya mahlweni. Are busy not current releases ne. So the comment leti yena hi nga ti pick up lawan in case rin'wana ri nga khuphiwa ka mitlangu yena swin'wana a va na swin'wana leti hina hi nga tsala to lawan. Sabuti Mr. David ikwasho leswi nga la.
Hi so. Itli prep ku ya hi wena.
Okay, kuna na. Kuna Akani na Jojo lam. Babe EP I think of 3 songs. But I think into Jojo lam ka ngoma yin'we la xikaza. I think that kuna yin'we ya Afro pop. Kuna yin'we ya xikaza. Le n'wana kambe yini?
Kuna le anga endla na Jojo lam.
Kuna ngoma 3 ka EP liya. Afro pop and mara minta sa ile n'wana yana le ya xikaza liya. Because le ya xikaza yi kona ka album ka EP ya Akani.
Yes.
But ba ita ka EP loko ba ri 2. And remember loko invite Akani stage la ku xile kwendeni ka EP ya xikaza. Xile kwendeni ka some songs ta Afro pop because xa hi rhandza Afro pop Afro beat. And then stage na Jojo lam. So what do you make? Maite wona ite? And that's the point.
I'm not happy.
That's the point. Mataku mina kale ka vela isona mara emakuba ni vanhu vele leswi va tirhisaka xiswona. Kuna nkarhi lowu humesaka ngoma ne kumbe album kumbe EP yiba. Every 2 days or 3 weeks later humesa yin'wana ngoma. Yi nga bi maku leswi nga senda swi good. Kumbe xana vanhu va ku swiri a yo tlumbela la because what you're giving now it's 30% of what you gave. Ka past music because lomo cheka EP ya Akani la yangi na bo Jojo Walker mama kubona beautiful from 1 to the last song yeah I mean that beautiful ko ngwe mabera mina so and then aba balana Jojo lam ne
I did not get a chance even to see a poster or
that EP if it's an EP because logo ni cheka online you were like at the category that single. So I don't know why releasing as
I'm not sure.
I don't know why
Sometimes it's my 3 songs.
I skill into politics ta ku loko ti ri
Tingani.
I focus.
We can talk about it, but not today.
Yeah, not today. I think we have covered it before.
Yeah.
Ka flash. Yeah.
I blame the artist. I also blame her management.
Artist mulama
Yeah,
kuna jujulam phela.
Both of them.
Okay.
Now I blame even producer ngiyong blame because he younger producer ngiyong blame angaendla ngichumo because lava nga release it even yimathi ngoma. I blame the management because you can't release a fire album 2 weeks down the line or a month you want to release tingoma tin'wanyana of which you don't even know ku ri loko se ti ya fika vanhu ti ya fika njhani. You understand?
Yeah.
Like you look zameni ka ku cancela swilo leswi we u nga swi endla already swa good. You understand? I'm not happy hi Kanye leswi a nga swi endla and I'm not happy management leswi nga swi endla because no one is okay. There might be people who are listening to that EP because na mina loko ni hlangana na yona it's because I was listening
To
Ka
cut.
leti n'wana.
ka that EP liya nga yi humesa.
Even then loko se yi
Se loko yi hela na
hela.
ku nghena liya na hlamala ku
Se ku endleka.
kundleka loko ni pfula ni kuma wow this EP ya ku releasiwa hi khale one twisisa so that was a wrong move. I don't want to lie, that was a wrong move.
Mina no trendela ngoma yin'we ntsena and it's a pity man because ngoma ni rhandaka ne ni rhandi from EP before from EP Akani before ku ma EP loko va ri 2 yin'wana yi beri mbili ya mina ni ku nyike mbili ya mina ni rhandi ka EP Akani.
Yeah.
So layani a ti maka ni rhanda futhi ka ha ri rhandza ro fana kwa ku nakona la yi kona. So if we're going to talk about this EP obviously ni ya single yona out because yi kona da imbaleta ngotingo le kumbeni wun'we na mina ni mana n'wena ku swi ni tsakisanga leswi nga move liya yini a yi ni tsakisanga move liya at all. Mara ita ku yini but next time a va check ku ri leswi va nga swi humesa like swi busy njhani ka the grounds and then va vona ku va nga nyika swin'wana na kumbe njhani because that move I think afa yimeli maybe must August so loko ro ati bela afro pop ya ye
Naku mata kuna a hype of a new artist all the time. That's why I'm 12 kawaku. Shipale Shong. And you'll be like, you've been listening to Shongi for the longest
for a
time.
long time.
You just want to use her as a kuri ipalelo. But in real sense, you are still going to listen to Shongi Rangana. Ka the project. So kuna hype ya new artist. Every time there's a new artist, it seems like they are there to close the market. And me singandleka loko ya humesa album ya vumbirhi ya xigaza because leyiwa hi nge vulavuli hi yona at the moment mina yi tiva ni yi tivi ni ta no hemba loko no la comment ta commenta swa wrong mara mi ta kuma ku loko ya humesa album even though the album is good but because we already know you mi kuma ku ri the response is not the same as akusunguleni ni swi vone kahle hi Can I look at Masa Tsonga Trap Star 2?
Yes.
Because Tsonga Trap Star 1 it was fire. Our expectations, not kuri leambire ai but our expectations was like he's going to do better than
Trap Star 1.
And we have our judgments and everything ka loko se kutai yintshwa se swi te njhani yi ta yi fika yi sounda hi ndlela leyi kasi mhaka ya ku we did not know him then a hi n'wi tiva nyana hi ti-EP nyana and then he dropped the fire album when he dropped the second fire album it did not get the same reception as the first one so it's something leswi swi nga a fanela ku va careful ka hi so ka the next project ku anga swi teki ngaku i lowa ko sweswiya swo artist ya nyuwani ya tsakisa swi fana na mpahla ya nyuwani na loko i kume munhu wa nyuwani i twa ingaku a nge ku tshiki i to vona loko se a ku It's not me, it's you.
And kuna artist yin'wana ni nge vuli vito mi nga tshami ni byele ku yi mi byele ku loko yo ba album
Say, hey, oh.
ni nge vuli
Loko ku ri ku yi byele bentsena se n'wi
it's fine a hi ri ku podcasting
ndzi vule kwani?
ya mi a hi ri swin'we lo mi swi vula a hi la ku swi ta episode yi ke
Ta boya swin'we
swa fana yi ndlela
Okay,
wa
byele.
no n'wi yevula na mina tani a n'wi vuli vito mara loko swi n'wi fika u ta swi tiva yi tele yo humesa album vanhu va nga hi receive ku fanele yo sungula yi nge yi nge twi nga ri yi wini kumbe njhani yi ta swi amukela mi nga mi yo yi rivala yi ta swi amukela yi ta swi amukela
ni swi vule na mina swi vule public mi vulavule Rose
yes
ku ri
DJ Choir
loko u humesa
DJ Choir.
DJ Choir
ririmi DJ Choir ra tele
Mara
ete loko u humesa the next project yi nga vi na same reception as the previous project he's good with it like he understands ku ri swi fambi ndlela yaleyo
no swi ta ku na minkarhi
ku na nkarhi wa munhu
Mara, guys, if you can check, ne, I encourage wow the artists to humesa ku the hits. Ni vone posting one, I think it all. He post to artist in one ayona ingiro examine ka ku. I think it avula yo kwa ingiro examine ka ku tana swilo swintshwa ka xigaza.
kasi wa mchava mavito
No, we still want to talk about
Kona
it.
lalo.
Okay.
I don't have kumvula. We still want
no
to.
hi fika na mbula ku ri a ni vula luya
Yes. This guy said, you only need one hit. Understand? You only need one hit to be known.
and xi na 5
Understand? That one hit can sustain you for malembe mokar. Understand? Kuri umesa yini in between the years. Staya ivan vata decide kuri hit ikona or ikona. Pelani na yo hit pela yo uma vanhu hinku ba itlanga ba promoter the way ba promoter ku ikona. Understand? But you only need one song or one album
ku ri so
to seal your name there. Ufika or gandla vito ra wena ku okay, I'm also there. So even Kanye usilini vito ra yena.
yeah yena
One twist is she's there. Whatever she releases from now, kuta decide abantu ku ri, okay.
mara yena
She can still get bookings.
na event organizer loko yi nga xirambi swi ri yo ka yi nga afford ku va ku nga ri mhaka yo
Exactly.
ku
Understand?
a xi relevant
le ku faneleni le kawash le I think va nga va cheli mali so vona confirm so loko ni yi kumini na
But
no yena ni mahlweni u la ku loko mi voni khani ku hi so
oh yes.
ri rumbelisa hi
Yes.
swona
So hambi ku ri ye Rosa ne. Yes, we are expecting the better than what he did last year. But then if he doesn't release album yo fanana le anga yo humesa last year,
still his name
still his name is there. He
Echoes
can still
around
get
that.
bookings and all that. Yeah. So I don't think it's a problem kuba urka situation yaleyo tani.
yeah I mean hey going forward ne
yi nghene mali
yeah I'm so mi lava ni kombela mi order siki kwini lawani
Shavan sweets.
Tana loko hi kha mahlani ti current releases ne a ni twa ku yi hume ngoma lawani kumbe njhani kumbe a ni se yingisela no vona ti clips na mina ne ya cool B
You mean?
na prof
You mean?
na prof Mayengani so
You mean? You mean? I think one vulavula this. We want a reaction ya Kateko. Nlega same reaction na me.
why
I've ni yingiseri ngoma liya ne.
kasi n'we swa mhlekisa ngoma mhlekisa yini sweswi
Uhlekiswa ngoma ne? Yeah.
vulavulana na mi ri ku
manchu wini umcha mhlekisa hi title ani la ku hlamba
Title ayina nani.
okay panchunya ani ku ngoma leya ne niyo body clips na mina like before like mtanikhomela vatirhi kulobye like a ni ri busy ngopfu so a ni kuma nkarhi wa ku tshama hansi ni ku na yingisela leswi swi nga
It's fine.
what is it
fine.
so loko khani ku ni vone clip mi nga ni avanyisi ngopfu
kahle next time hi fanele hi tirhisa ku loko munhu risimu a nga ri twanga
Angavulavuli.
awulawuli comment
angifayini ani un'wana na un'wana i va a swi kumini ku ya vulavula
Angifayini.
se loko if ki hi byela ku a wu yingiselangi swi ri ra wu na mhaka na ntirho
Ni yingiseli ti-clip ta
ni kombe hi rhanga hi kuma comment kusuka hala
kankateko. Kula comment u yimisa mavoko u wa surrender.
okay comment
Wasaren. Okay, could be. Ingoma could be. Anga feature Prof. No to a clip ya Prof mina. I think I posted your Prof.
yeah yo yinga post
Ngoma yi home. Aneko kangrinoko ku nga yingisela.
ayingisela
Ni switwi no ven ni yitwi ni no hunda anzangi ni nga vana ku navela mara maybe loko sina yingisela ntavana a different view. Swi na view at all.
okay se mi ta na ngoma n'wami yi yingiselanga okay but no problem the song is not it I try
hayi swa fail
Swa fail.
swa fail I think we expected something much better xo sungula the song itself it's a remake if I can
exactly
it's a remake of a song I cannot pinpoint with Yaman but we've heard those lyrics
tabeni
that could be over and over again
Okay.
leswi risimu ri fambisaka swona and then Ben Mayengani has a natural voice that we are very used to if there's an auto tune it's very low layani a ri twakala hi ndlela yin'wanyana yo okay hi mhaka ku i president Ben Mayengani fine but loko hi languta hi reaction from the supporters ta president Ben Mayengani when he dropped something good they are quick to show the supporters ta Mr. Post ku
Ku hey.
vona ku ku ndleka yini
Vona munhu wa hina.
but coming from two best artists from the genre to hambana
Hambana,
we expected
A
kuri
lot.
we expected a lot swi fana na sweswi hi nga vona picture ta Metro Beats na Bliss Boy.
Yeah.
loko vo humesa mbodza hi ta va
Disappointed
disappointed
because hey, expected.
because the expectations ti high ku ri va hlanganile la ta twa ku kula ku huma yini if leswi nga ta huma swi nga nyanyuli we will be very disappointed so from many people look I'm disappointed because I did not have high expectations
Mina lexi ni xi hleketaka loko mi kha mi vula mi kha mi nyika those comments ne. Loko na ta munhu wo fana na Prof ne. If Andre Prof Mayengani man. Me loko ni fane ni vitana ngomene I'll take my time ni yingisela. Ni vona ku swa fita ku ni nga va part of this song na.
no mara ni nkarhi wun'wana ni kuma ku ri you wanna give someone their childhood dream no
that's wrong Mr. Dave
and no ni vula leswi ni hleketaka ku ri
Yeah.
it's what happened
yeah
because mi kuma ku va na a close relationship vo ka va nga tshama va tirha swin'we in studio
Yeah,
and
they
it was
do.
like
Yeah, relationship they do have a close one.
yeah so i kuma ku ri it does not just come from the music only it comes from that mfana wa mina when I have to
I'm not
give you
I'm born nyika mboza it's fine
Hey.
ana makana so ai bimboza lo.
sweswo ku vula n'wini
No.
no mi swi vuli nga ku hi leswi vulaka hi mina
kombo comment
Yeah.
wetine ni yingiseli clip leyi nga postiwa hi Prof Mayengani ne Prof President Mayengani
Yeah.
yi tsarisiwa sweswo because swi feri
Yeah.
ni ve interested ka ku lata yingisela the whole song ni fike ni yi tlanga ngoma liyane first thing sweswi Mr. David a yi swi vona voice ya Beni yi va bele kule ngopfu va yi tsandzekile even the mastering itself ya the song it's very bad knowing could be in Benny Mayengani that song was not supposed to be released you understand That song was not supposed to be released.
The quality or
The quality-
or the production.
The whole production,
Because even the lyrics, like,
even the lyrics.
it's not something new. Eh,
Kuna party one binanga yimbelela. We yimbelelini ka one of his songs. I'm gonna marry you, my baby, something like that.
yeah.
You might know the song.
Yeah.
Uti yimbeleleni the lyrics that. You know, I saw a clip ya podcast ya DJ Cleo ne.
Lakutako,
Yes.
I'm in June.
I saw a clip ya podcast ya DJ Cleo. I don't know kura arka podcast ya man. DJ Cleo was saying
Yanana KO.
Yanana KO, they were supposed to do a song. They went and do a song, ne? Wherever they did it. But the following day or after some days, DJ Cleo usendele that song. Asendela KO. KO, the response ya KO, ne? Uteka ka DJ Cleo. Mina na wena. Ina reputation yin'wanyana ya kahle ngopfu. Yile henhla too much.
We are legends.
We are legends. Hikuya hina, this song is not supposed to be released. Imbodza hikuya hi ti-level ta hina leti hi nge le ka
It's
tona.
like
One
when
piece.
when two artists leti ti va ku ti ri na
Ti ri ti-legends.
na mavito ti fika ti hlangana ti fika ti nga, and if kuma hambi loko ku kuma ku ri simu a ro va mbodza to that extent mara loko fika kuma ku ri it's just another song ku ri ku loko va ku hlangana this artist and this artist ni expecta ku ri this song it will remain in my playlist for a long
Yes.
time
For a long time, yeah.
mara loko fika kuma ku a swi hi ndlela yaleyo and then swa inana. And another thing, cover liya ya risimu leriya, like na swi tiva ku a hi hleli ti-cover hi hlela music, but coming from two best there should be a best cover. Cover liya hi nga ku anti ku lo tindlela kumbe lo byela n'wana ku chuna cover fast kwalani na ku upload.
Ku teka picture n'wana yi nga shutiwa hi phone.
Yeah.
Nga swi hlangahlanganisiwa.
Yeah.
And another thing, I feel like if Benny was not featured on that song, maybe could be Atabarnge bet R1. Remember when you feature someone that we know, could this person is good, we expect something very good. We understand. So I think Benny should take it into consideration, Gore. He's a legend. As Xitsonga artist, he's a legend. So whatever features that he needs to take, am I downgrading myself,
So I agree.
or if you can tamaka level ya mina na?
Mara
You
na-
understand?
Mara na Thomas Chauke va kombisini ku ri hawa u tindlela swin'wana.
Exactly. But
Those features, they've got
I'll
the-
not take those features.
No,
Yeah.
no. I think
Tika
in
ti yisa vito ra munhu
exactly. Tukuyisa hansi.
ehansi hi kha hi ku tekela henhla ngopfu.
Tukuyisa hansi. Ben Maigan is very much respected.
Yo.
He's very good.
Icon ya hina Vatsonga leyi.
Yeah.
She seems music wa Xitsonga kule ngopfu the man. Ya mahlweni vakulukumba. Scripture leyi hanyana mara hi ta xi heta. Hi la ku hlelahlenyana because loko ya nga xeti leswiwani swi nge vi relevant ka the next episode. Hi ta hi nga ha teki nkarhi.
Leswo swi nga bohi mo ho vulavula
Kuna swin'wana ni pfuna hi nge swi vulavula leswiwani a ni swi tivi why swi ri laha mara ni wo decide na sign free la. Sign free va le vo loko va humesa inani hi n'wina.
Vulavula hi yona ne?
Va humesa hi n'wina hi vulavula hi yona.
Oh no, indeed. Yeah.
So sweswiwani ya ka swi na mpaka xi humesi nsimu ta YouTube. Find out na xikangu mi tingisele
ni twe find out.
n'wemtwe what
Nto ikwati nibeliwa hi liya yin'wana ke.
xikangu
Yeah. Aliya ya chela liya.
min bela I find out
I find out ani feel.
le yin'wana mata ni bin bela yini yin'wana okay ka find out ni vilerini ne even if ka ni hlamula la ka xikangu tagline is nampaka ina power tagline leya isina mpaka na xikazo n'wana mani ayikona ka find out ne I was like eish va nga xi chelangi cause ya fit and then loko se ka xikangu aka chela that tagline I was like I'm good. So mina, what I can say about that EP, those two songs that's in Ampak, she outdid herself.
Okay.
loko ni cheka ka leyi nga humesa a ni humesa EP before swona ata itsemta yi 2 I'm very happy loko ni kha ni tlanga EP these 2 songs there's no need for me to go back
Yeah, true.
loko me music wu ni berini ke if ani vuyeli ndzhaku a swi ri u le ku beni ni nga ndzhaku masiku man'wana loko ni lava risimu rin'wana mara if I'm going there like ku enjoy nsimu hinkwato swi komba ku a wu ni chayela ngopfu mara mina those 2 songs ti ni chayerini ni bela ngopfu find out hi mhaka ku find out it's an obvious message mara u portray in a very good way like are that obvious
Oh, like with DJ Jab. Find out.
Come here, Jojo, find out. That and yes, deserve. You're deserve ko ingena yona.
Yeah.
Ka find out.
Teresa Rone.
Yona yi nga ri suggest
va tirhisa rona na leriya ra colby or a ra colby ku na un'wana na yena ra find out ra Semi the Pro va tirhisa
That's good. Yeah. Okay. I won't say much, ne. Sinampaka in chairin. I'm very happy with those 2 songs. The rap tunes that's a tagline. Those ones are some message portrayed very well. Yeah, makulukum.
I feel like we are sleeping on this girl. Or Gaza itlele when it comes to Sinampaka. She's not given that chance. Ya kutu kombisa magazine kuri. She's good.
okay.
One pieces. I that's how I feel. I feel like Magaza amangunyiki that chance yaku at kombisa or akombisa wuyena as an artist kuri. Yes, I'm here and I'm good. One pieces. Because if you can listen to the previous album, that album is very good. There's few songs that I like at that album. If you can listen to the current one, it's still good. One pieces. The production, lyrically, like everything is fine. It's perfect. So So I don't understand why. I don't understand why angari kunyikiweni ka that chance or kukuma the gig hi ku ya yena or unless the promotion side ka company ya yena vatlele avele ku endleni ka ntirho wa vona.
Okay, xo sungula mina what I think it can hinder an artist, a good artist. It's when you are in a record label with big fish, or they consider not the artist let consider wako
Ku tlula wena.
Bigger.
so vula ku loko ku ri na budget, the budget will work on those ones.
That's how it works.
Those ones that are printing money
That's how it works.
at that time. And there kuna ndhawu yin'wanyana ya loko wo ze if ka istaka ko ya hlupha ka ku a ku tiva mara hi na mhaka na wena maswo leswi swo i dumile mara leswi swi endlaka ku ya fine
We don't care.
hi laha Bondi Boy a nga staka ko for a long time phela Bondi Boy a nga dumangi loko a ta endla tinsimu na Sign Free a swi tiveka ku na Bondi Boy wa yimbelela
Maingani light.
yeah mara fortunate for him if ke akuma nkarhi lowu a nga tirha na vo Sign Free and then he was taken serious as a musician. So we know her but kumaku we haven't given her that
Enough attention.
And look we say idumini wa surprise in chuma a swi tiva ku yimbelela u ka nga ri na mhaka na swona
Elisa swa va DJ call me.
a swi tiva ku wa yimbelela u ka hi nga ri na mhaka na swona and then antiku leyiwa I think yi kona kwala kaya na ya ku a musician must be a content creator in these days. So leswiya swo vanhu va nga ri na mhaka na foni swi tshikeleni va Benny Mayengani swi tshikeleni va Thomas Chauke swi tshikeleni va Mr Post swi tshikeleni lava vo loko va humesa vanhu vo va yingisela va ta va kuma mara as a young artist we must see you every day, content creation every day. You must be there making your own videos to your own songs every day because music lo uma ku tele
utele
music lowu huma wu tele.
loko wo miyela nge
So,
nge tiveki no
you have to give us something swa ku hi swi tiva ku ri
na wo humesi
na we humesile because loko wo humesa you will end up ni tala ku swi vula loko va ku mina gaza ya ni blue tick loko ku blue tick hi loko munhu message a wu vonini
lo nga
hi twini ngoma ya wena na phela ku blue tick hi leswi swo hi ti vonini ti-post to ku na ngoma ya wena hi yingiserini a hi na mhaka na yona mara loko hi nga yi kumangi notification ya ku i humesini how are we supposed to hi ku va hi ku blue tick njhani
a wu yi nyikanga content
so ku na vanhu lava loko va humesa hambiloko va nga ndli content va rhandza hi tinghwata
ku fana na
Police boy.
marhandza hingwahla
Vo Metro Beats.
i nickname ya vayisela vanhu sweswiwani hi vo marhandza hi tingwahla
so so loko I think in swi vurini before ni ku loko endla music lowu nga ta tsakisa vavasati i winini hi mhaka ya ku hina vavanuna loko hi nghena ka social media hi ta fika hi tsakisa hi
vavasati lavaya
va kha va lip sync ka ngoma ya wena va kha va cina ka ngoma ya wena all of a sudden we are hooked to a song so ku na vanhu lava they will release a clip leyi nga ta kuma ti-content creators yi kuma ti-challenge and then it goes mara ku na leswiya swa ku a wu na vanhu lava va nga ta ku ndlela content you must be the one in front of the camera every day
And when you keep on making that content ne u hetelela u toloveta vanhu ka account ya wena ku okay there's this song then people will start doing content hi ngoma liya ya wena
wa blotika hi ndlela yo va ku blotike mara just va va nyikini
ku fana na xingoma lexo nghunyetela spikara
exactly
lexiya xa tinghwadla lexi
xa tingwadi and
kometlela ta hi faka ne iyo sapota ya Mr David la ku na nkarhi wun'wana nota a da tirha na I think Questa
yes
loko va la ta humesa the car va yi stopini ngoma liya album liya ku yi humesa hi mhaka ku a ku ri na album ya AKA yi ri ku Ben Blind va ka va la ku humesa ngudu apparently not sama swi vulavula ku hi suspend ku release hi mhaka ku AKA a xi ri ku beni and loko a we humesa at the same time ya xi ta xi humeleline a ku ta ku ri na nkingha
a yi nga ta twala that album
a ku ta ku ri na nkingha a ku ta ku ri na nkingha swinene because AKA a xi khomini nkarhi lowa
mara ne daka ina marriage man
ayina marriage
nkarhi wa AKA ne
ayina marriage but at that time loko avo yo yi dropa at that time a ku ri ku humi album yes loko avo yi dropa hi nkarhi lowu a ku ri na album ya AKA leyi nge le ku endleni ka ti-waves a yi nga ta twala that album
and swi na tlhela va nga delay because the car yang nyika 7 awards
exactly
loko hi vuya ka mhaka ya ku create content ku you must be in front of the camera clip ya Sizer you hume a ya ha ku huma sweswi phela it's been there for days ne until until Bliss Boy andla video yo and then it caught fire leriero ngoma a yi ri kona yi ri hit
khale
vanhu notification yo kuna hit yi nga huma a va nga yi kumangi and Bliss Boy has the market elona ndla that clip that day I think day or two Size akuma 2,000 followers I think it's in 1 day or 2 days ka Facebook so it shows you kuri people might have not heard your music I am agayaku akubulutika you good doing na so content creation
because mina phela ntanga ri mara no itafaka yena Size mona tsana la one ngoma uku Size la one ka script
ukona
masoko ile ka teasers and you mean ngoma liya
you mean
phela man ntanga ngoma liya ano ngoma ya buthu ne mane ku mfune ngateko mona phela yo ndlayisa kuthavete mayibona ano ka ngoma yin'we ne le ya xipikara ingoma yin'we
yeah
ingoma yin'we yo ya speaker yo
ingoma yini undlasa ukuhlavetela yes
man nga swi ngoma ku na ku dasa ku tlhavetela ne se ku na xipikara sweswiwani and then after ni la ku support le mi vulaka after loko ku ve na ti-clip to hambana mina ni swi tivi khale ku na ngoma yo dasa ku tlhavetela man nga swi tivi ya xipikara loko se va ka xipikara ne hi mhaka ti-clips then I got to know leswi vulaka ku loko munhu o va busy hi content like va laka hi sina mpaka maybe just maybe vanhu va nga tiva swilo swa yena hi nkarhi
ka Facebook yeah maybe mara mina ngifollowa se ni vona ti-post to tala so she's active until ka TikTok or when it comes to videos how much content do you
activity video ka Facebook
they post
to hlekisa ne
so loko ni posta I don't think it takes much to make 5 videos a day.
No, I'm going to 5 Mr. David. You can post one video like it.
No kombisa ku your only job is to create content.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say in our one, but your only job as a musician. I could take a phone iveka la. Ivula I lip sync ngoma le already ngako awunqambi ngoma
yin'wana. Swingendle like ring light angari na yona. Kwa ngwasa tu fumala ring light.
La ngari na isina mpaka, la ngari na tong nyika mkateko tong nyika. Simkateka mgo
una yona ring light anu wa staka TikTok.
Exactly.
Hey, and then I think maybe shasha swivula ku David ba fana tsama ka create content ba endla content ivi ilesha show we are dropping ivi va nga yi push.
Oh yeah.
Ivi va nga yi push.
I think yin'wana ya ti-issue ta mina na ti-musician total.
Yeah.
When the song is coming, va dropa content.
When it's out.
Risimu ro huma a humesa the song is out.
Amie.
A sungula ku promote risimu lero ka nga humangiki. Mina my theory I ku ngoma nga yi humesa nga tivisang munhu. You drop the song. You make the content. Va ku risimu leri va ku song ID iva nyika song ID so loko if swo sungula ni ku tiva a na mhaka na wena ni twa ngoma yi tsakisa a ni ku tiva na mhaka na wena ni lo twa ngoma yi tsakisa ni fika ni ku vutisa ni ku give me a song ID I ku yi huma hi ti 22 ni scrolla ni hindza loko yi ya huma hi ti 22
a wa ha swi tivi
humesa ngoma and start putting out those videos so vanhu va rhanga va humesa ti-video I kuma ku ri na content yo talo around that time ya huma vo tala hi rivele yo
okay la one ka inani ka new releases last two la n'wana ta vatsema hey my time mzamana John
yeah ani nga yi tivi mara since u ni byele hi yona ni yingiserile
mtsamingisa ya mlantswa ndzom
ni yingiserile
xitirheni laya timani
ni yingiserile okay kumbe comment
I want to pumala content na yena na xipini
I'm not a fan
emlantswa loko Mr. David kumbe Dee Roka va endla content ya vona va ku a yi chayi swi tivi ku I ku ya hi vo mhenri ya chaya se loko ni ku ya ba ivi va miyela ivi va endla content va ka yi chaya I nga vuyi ku mina no actor ni nga miya ni bela
I'm not a fan ya mlantswa wa Nzumbane but after listening to the song I'm not saying I'm now a fan I'm not a fan but after listening to the song I feel like the guy was kota ku matcha na vito ra yena mlantswa wa Nzumba want to say wa matcha na vito ra yena misa luya because you can't be mlantswa wa Nzumba if ka tlanga gaza xa ma 2K I love the message that song I love the message that song as akuna swo tala ni nga swi vulaka hi ngoma yi kahle ya ti chayela the production side is fine na the lyrics they're fine
xiri mi nga chavi legacy yingewe loko na ha ri kona na ta va xanisa ka gasa xi tlhe xi ku mina loko ni ta vuhlambini a ni rhamba ntsima ra tintlambi va sungula ni ri swi le ngomeni masana ku xi vula swin'wana swo tika a fanaka swi yimela
and you know that guy you know
ani swi tivi I mlantswa
and you know that guy didn't promote himself i vanhu va nga fika va ti rhandzela ngoma ta yena
etikhomba
ivi va n'wi promote yes i tikhomba
mase wa
thawula yes
tikhomba ti n'wi promote
and you know that song loko huma ngoma liyane ngoma liyani yini ya
so swi n'wi promote ngopfu
ngoma liya yi fiki karata ngopfu hi December lembe ra kona and ngoma leyi vete yi hume hi vo I think yi hume hi vo February March hala
na ya yi rivele
sure exactly all right Diman all right this guy David all right yeah David all right because ngoma leyi loko ntsundzuka ne yi fiki yi trenda too much hi December nkarhi wa ti gigi leti a ti ri kona
so nkambe a yi fanelangi nga vi na ngoma ya xiseveseve
yi fanele xiseveseve na nghwahla ngwana loko u meka xilo timbirhi ti kona u ta va right ku na n'wana munhu a nga tshama ni byela ne ka album ya Akani ne a nga ri ngoma ya tinghwahla ivi va ku va fanele va yi chela yo la yi byala maku a ku nga ri na vungwadla ngopfu a ku ri tingoma to
ti-serious
na ti-scenarios leti loko yingisa u vona ku picture a nga na ngoma layo ya swi se hela ku bengula sweswiwana i va nghenisa ngoma yin'wana ya byala leswi loko swi kahle ku munhu a cheka makete minkarhi yin'wana ku njhani so mina ndzi mba hi ndzi ka yena munhu wa hi tshela ka ti-new
i true
a hi hundzeni ka lavan'wana hi nghena ka Combos communicate Combos Marte
se wa mi impelele
no ntakusu hi that part loko va kha va yenda i ngoma ya Ncabza Famanta na Miss Lay ntakusu hi loko of course a va kha va kombeta the way va nga endla swona ku yenso njhani swi tsakisa ngopfu loko munhu a hi komba kule ngoma mi yensi ku yini ngoma ku ri a swi tikanyana ne mara loko se mi ya twa ne mi ta ku a ni nga tshembi ku va nga swi endla swilo leswiwani mavo so mina ni ta tshemba ku i intro that part yi nghena ku dlanga eka Compose Communicate mina I'm very happy Compose Communicate and thing where DJ ngumtsamile
DJ
me nitwile ne I liked the song
before home
logo ni vona the clip and all that. But after listening to the final production, I was not happy. I'm not happy with the final production. Because na stiva ku Miss Lay wa imbele and na stiva ku voice ya Miss Lay inja. If you can go and listen to that song, voice ya Miss Lay, but there's too much auto-tune, for which you figure it daya the Chelungo 6 gun
7 gun
the version of her that you know.
Yes, I understand. If you figure it daya the Miss Lay that I know. You know the song lyrically, Vaizarin. Even the production side, it was gonna be fine if he listened to me last time. Mixing and mastering.
Oh yeah, Ncabza.
Yes.
Yeah. I remember we spoke about it. Mixing and mastering. If you can na kulekanya at some point.
Yes.
And it's a problem. Which I catch, Mara. If you still master kahle. Because you still not those elements. We unique, trying to be unique or something. If you cause it, magatako. Ako ana mastering ya kahle even this version nga yingiseli ngopfu leswi nga kona
a swi wrong himfo ku teka ntirho wa wena u nyika un'wana munhu please do the final production. Yeah, okay, before Mr. David
kuna comment
voice ya Miss Lay nga ku masiku lama thamba ku n'wi fail n'wana wa vana.
Yeah.
Kuna risimu leri ra yena nga featureiwa ka ra Gagashi ra life. And if they film tshama mi ringisela.
Romi
Yes.
ka album.
Ka EP liya. You won't tell ku Miss Lay luya. And before ayitwala kahle before the final production before tisimi to huma ka ti-clip tetiya tele studio a yi ri kahle mara loko se yi huma a res kumbe u n'wi chete hetse letiya mi nga tshama ni vula ku mfe mi nche tona
kahle a mi fane mi nga shuti mi ri chulo ni nga ri kona a fana ta tshama
hope itolerate mara ilapha
wa swi hlela
and phela miss lane loko sta content shine content
Yeah.
like it's one person loko wena ri simula xona ne i ti byela xi nga ku phusha na wena because tshama xendla content no ka khwindla xipikara hey
Mali ya tungwadla akari xava tugeza xa tungwadla
so yini
se mihlela switheve masangu amba hleli
no i rito leri
No, i rito ri nga humangi kahle.
vuyedera
u ta yingisela vanhu lavakulu
a tlhavetela xipikara and ta ku yini mimi
a cinela xipikara
a cinela xipikara ne like i munhu lowu loko swilo swa ku swi va ri right ne i feature miss lay you even get content from her side
Yeah.
what is this mi ringisele ngoma ne
and the sasaking yeah okay
Timhaka
leri ya
iphindeni futhi ni mana yona commentary
Sasekile.
sasekile miss chuma la ka yini mi nga ya lo mina swin'wana sure
anna nchumu
okay
comment ya mi hiyela kwala ka ku sasaking I was not overhyped to the song. It's just another song for me. Mawale so lo tlanga nge skip
yeah
mara nge yini ya search.
oh
I listened to it loko ya ku huma ane ya mngana wa me.
mangana ngwini ka la batho
Ka manager na. Oh. Miss Lay.
ni yingiserin but it was not a song liya ya go I will keep it on repeat or I will but it's not a song ya go loko yongena I will skip mara anini ya search lo search loko ya ku huma link and then that was it.
Okay, yen mahlweni ne swani ya ka ti teasers ne Mr David na DJ kuna vanhu va nga hi nyika a few teasers ka socials komisa ku kuna swin'wana swi nga le ku teni so I just want us to just ingena na switsongo nga si dya nkarhi
Okay.
ka ti teasers la ku twa matolo man'wana ku ri a ya mahlweni mula ku kumbe xana nga yi mahlweni na how do you feel about this ku na lekere xi nga hi nyika teaser ya macheleni ntwe voice ya J John ka kuna timbirhi mara la hi langta macheleni len'wana ya ku hi dropa nga xa makhombo na J John mara la leyi cheka macheleni ku ri how do you feel macheleni mi vone that clip
Ni vone.
yeah how do you feel
I'm fine with it. It's fine. The song can be released.
Yeah, the song can be released. I like the fact J John wanna show I can rap because
You
he was singing all along. So look after ku repeating it was like no. We're not active so rap so he's showcasing his pen game. Could finally song so end like a
one night stand.
So that's what he's doing.
yeah and I mean I
But Cavalier you creepy.
ele ya walk around macheleni
That cover you creepy. Yo chavisa cover.
Yeah, ya chavisa yo.
Loko upfula phone xikarhi ka vusiku hlangana Cavalier ta tlula.
And for the song name macheleni hey there's a lot you can design man macheleni
na loko va tiyela hala ka mbondlomelano va teka picture ya le ka bungeni swa mapela leswi va nga swi endla leswi laha va fika
Yeah. Ya chavisa.
Isa mbondlomelano. Ani.
tala mondo melana yeah na mina that elena la vula swona mina ku ri I'm not happy cover ne but I'm happy with the song
The song is
the song I read for the remade in and angaleti man because
and then I disappoint.
Yeah, disappoint.
Yeah.
Ingaze
Kota ku hype and then look ya uma original ku I
Mathaba.
find what some.
and kuna n'wana u le nghozini ka swo fana sweswo loko disappoint va ta vona lucky enough u kume ti good artists ngoma leyi ka bungeni leya piano leyi I think it's piano mata khale ngoma leyi ri kona mara yi se huma like ikhala aka yi push ku ya huma u push ngoma leya before he even called Jojo na Flash Cortez who are part of the song ikhala ka
Oh yes, I remember.
so even then kusungwana post matsonga machangana mi nga ni miheleli mbilu ntomesa so ku a herini mbilu the best you can do is to give us a good song yena se mbilu herini so like I'm saying go bolekere bangazi ba teka nkarhi kala vo tala ku aba hi nyikilo wala ku hinya cause the borek ezo maka swona mara macheleni I mean I'm good ku na teaser ya Lacoste ya Gab mara
No comment. No comment. No comment ayo.
Na teaser ya Gab ya shumesa EP mara show nyika Lacoste chinga feature Mabodlela.
I shouldn't prove it wrong. Gab wa marimba ne. Shouldn't prove it wrong.
Yeah.
Remember what we said about Gab last time? What I said? Yes.
Watavanga ku vurisa swilo va heta
Yeah. Hey, swi le ku njikele
that's why loko mbula swilo loko ku vula n'wina
Why njikela? Remember what I said he Gab last time, ne?
Yeah.
Misaluya, I'm not sure if ufika ilamusa episode liyane, but he made sure this time whatever I'm releasing swilo swi fanela ku swi vuyisa vito ra mina a game because remember Gab se a hi ri ku rivaleni Gab ku ri
After show leswi nga byela mina.
yes ku ri I mani Gab
Ani mi show la xin'wana. Ma tsunduki?
oh yeah
Xixia.
a hi ri ku rivaleni Gab ne but I'm telling you lo yingisela clip ni sharp hinkwaswo even the production that song ya bangwa
Se kuna Vicket.
yeah but that song
And namtani kambe ku veni mbyela kwa xikarhi ka vanhu swa.
Ka Vicket na Mabodlela.
Kuna Vicket kuna Mabodlela.
okay
So
ta swi lunghisa
mata ku nchava yini kunta kuna Vicket ye xiyimbelelini ma mi vala maka side ra production even kuna Mabodlela you go chaya kasi mi vala it's side ra kwa so Mabodlela
Mara at the end of the
Mabodlela
day
emadumani
at the end of the day
Maphorisa.
swi swa nqabza na famanda
Yeah,
okay but yeah the song is fine
Gab.
shout out to Gab
it's good it's just somehow because I have a lot of contacts that they artists and that they receive the clip totalo cut the clip le tanga nsendela hinkwat lo reacta leswi swo ni senda reaction ntsena because ni swi twa ku loko ku ri ni ta fanele ni vulavula ni nge vulavuli kahle but that one when it comes out I was like okay I think we can have a conversation about the song because ani mavona the musicians they are when a musician is a good musician even if they are not good kahle but when you are a musician you work with feelings so it's easy ku a musician you attacheka loko I criticize ntirho wa yena so most of the times na avoid and go no aba umesi it's fine but that one is something that we are looking for and the imaka EP ava va make sure kuna letin'wana ti disappoint
Mr. David I'm convinced I'm really one to disappoint and I'm telling you Lacoste and you know what I like about Lacoste it's a ingoma yo fana na vo story one pieces like you relate to that song loko u yingisela wa relate like loko ni yingisela that clip ne was it loko ni yingisela that clip
honestly
leswi vula hi DJ
ku relate ka Lacoste ku
ya relate
na relate mina inesh
ngwe va lava vo fika late
yi vanhu vo fika vo ngena late
na ngena late
that's ku tingwata ti relate
no ku very yi fana na story say
I'm just giving an example ku story it's a song that you relate to anyone can relate to loko yi tlanga whatever kuna party leti tinga fika tinga ku khomiwe tinga fika tinga ku katsiwe but there's one part leyi nga ta fika yi khumba we okay
imakuvula leswo tala la
because you vulavula swo tala it's a catchy song.
So the Lacoste kombeni la yi relate sa ku vanhu vo tala hi ndlela leyo. Like okay, I get it as
Mr. David.
No, I get it as a hit song. But I don't get the relatability of it.
Mr. David.
Ya ti Lacoste. If I never Lacoste.
Mr. David.
Lacoste.
Mr. David. Attend an event, attend an event or Mia 17. Ban lava fiketela ku huma na huma 7.
Awa kahle.
But this is
Hayi loko ku ba ma-11 se ku fika vo Dee Roka.
Fika hina.
Jojo.
Openga man.
Jojo ya ranga.
Hey guys.
Rangisa he Jojo fika famba teka tafula.
No, maybe maka ku mina ti event na attenda leti ni va ku ni.
Oh,
Okay.
Exactly.
Kuba ku yivo Mr. David.
Kuranga wa Mr. David.
Jona ane mi attend na nhlekani ne. Manje loko fa ebe ku ta bangwani na squad le.
No,
Exactly.
mina attenda entiro the event.
Okay,
Ni va nga welka ti Lacoste ni va nga welka lava fasi va ku
So what I'm saying,
Yeah, I get it.
all right, got it. So what I'm saying, kuta relate those kind of people, baku baisaba mali, understand? Baisaba mali kuru. Okay, irangini na bompheleni fika etsametela tata matafula.
Yeah, loko swe mali u right and Lacoste.
Yes. So mara loko sokufika tingwenya, environment ya change. So that song, you're right for
Vibe,
for vibe, it's fine. You can even imagine yourself making a video or content in that song, umbele kahle and all that. Setangena ti Lacoste, you understand? Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's a good one, and it doesn't matter what something like and sese so anselo no re imbella ntsinta re imbella nkanishta ku ntsamine ni kara so so ne fika ndhaweni ne fika ndikumela ena guba ra ku guba evi ku fika mali evi ku fika ti Lacoste uro wona ku ro David ne mara ada su cause hayi ku say fasini ditaki adikathembi ada su uro ku yi ti Lacoste go tingena
Mara at least mbam take one for the team. He say
Lion, I want
lava one va oloveriwa.
from you ja. So ngoma le it's okay, Gab. Ina clip liane ngoma ya chaya. So minga disappoint ngoma ya TikTok. Mata ngoma TikTok la yo yibala.
Ichina saka TikTok ntsena.
Even then we twa nkwa ine.
Yeah.
Utsa ku mara ko ba phatela ya TikTok. Hala kwana aswa atsakisa. So please ngira ngoma le am try phi nkwa iswa kahle. Touch ya magoda I right.
Na magoda na ku rivala na magoda
Shimbelini. Mawon and then mpanyas ai fayetela mpanyas ngona mada.
Ayetela mpanyas.
Okay, last ka teasers ne. Metro Pizza SA before ya teasers I say congratulations ka Metro because I say when I in episode after Shabe Move.
Oh yeah.
Metro has new wheels.
That's dope.
A very good car.
That's what we want. Iloko sibona ku phela phela kulokudendu. But is kahle ngopfu ku besela bona lokho kubajela abajela. Mabo so if ikaro wojela jela Metro ishabe move for who right nakhawashi Metro lo one ngawuhlatswa i 180 lo ya move lesungayisho but so ufika
Inside out.
hayi kwazi nathi tingatsusa la iba ngikwazi
Seswana ukubyela late earlier ku
full valley
Yeah.
I check
avele ata next week ata hlantswa mahala once.
met
Yeah.
a hlantswa mahala yeah
yes.
mabinda uselana
it's marketing.
hlantswa mahala
Hlantswa
Metro
mahala.
Beats yeah amkela swinene maboko mo pfuleka Metro Beats kuna singing electeni I think superstar ne yeah akurina competition at the cover I think it's done cover ikula ilaba ku igumini what do you feel about the song
Anongiranda ngovu Metro ne.
but ngiranda song
No, I'm trying to say vulavuli hi site ra ku favor. Ni vulavula hi site ra ku
focusika leswi
as artist. You know Metro Beats is a very unique artist ashkazeni. Una ndlela ya yena misa luya ya ku ndlaswiswa yena. That song loko ni yingisela that part ni nga yingisela it's good. Another thing ni xirhandza ku Metro he always try to remind us, Kuri, he is not a Shigaza artist only. He always remind us, Kuri, yena, imrap. Understand? Just like that song, All Eyes on Me.
Yeah.
Remember what he did?
That's a hip hop song.
Yes.
It's a hip hop song.
Yes.
Yeah,
I understand. So that's one thing I like about him. He angaluzangi ti roots ta yena was precise. So he always remind us, bro, guys, I'm still a rapper. Just that now look then like gazi one precise. So the song is fine. The song is good. I like the song. Sheshe yishvula guri. Lo say ya umesiwe. Ingafiki disappoint. Ingataki sweet clip.
You get disappointed.
Yeah, we don't know. Or usuri uyingiseli kwayo. Awuyingiseri. David ireti ngwen. Uyingiseri kwayo.
Okay,
I problem. If we eat kwayo it's fine. Superstar.
Anitwang.
Awitwili. Wata mun loka reta wa reta.
And ana ko sika slide let's follow over mata irin ingem disappointed to yar
Baizi.
so yan lango
It's a good project. Ntala ku kaningala ku vulavula hi vanhu lava ni va favor hi mhaka ku
Stand lang ako afei.
hayi ku stand lenga una favor ku munhu ku ni favor man, it's not a problem. Mara mfika mkuma ku
swindlanga ama la kulala
mfika mkuma ku from my side ani vangi truthful, if I can say,
Or honest.
because everything from your favorite is good.
yes
And then when we've covered that project, it's just a good normal project. You're like, guys, how come?
marana
Sufana na leswi merigeni ya like duve ni rant so. Like loko munhu afika ku music lo make sense.
Me to
Not also
right
we mara music go twisisana. So, but I had an opportunity to hear the song. It's a great project. It's a great project. Yeah, that's all I can say. Wangataka banga twists.
Okay. Thank you for input. Namena from the clip. Anikuma go Mr. David Mara from the clip. I'm sold out.
Yeah.
I want to hear
The full song.
kuna yinda so talatala because ndana masipulana ina touch la ya hip hop. I love it fair. So nlakuta to mesa yin ka that song because Metro has been giving us songs like ngasibulo go it's some to tranga na hip hop and then touch ka let's got nandi. So na la ku study ninga staka ka All Eyes on Me ka this song. Why me msa gom lola song?
No, I wanted to say, Kuri, it's a talent ngwenya ne ku kota ku teka hip hop u ichela xigazini the way Metro a swi ndlisa ku yisona. I call it a talent because loko u yingisela tin'wana ti hip hop artists loko ti zama sweswo swi fika swi nga hlangani.
And botala loko ba cherini ba bolo rap. It's not like ba boyo endla a song.
Yes, or
Instrumental.
na instrumental kuma ku xigaza xi fika xi ka bridge yaleyo a lava ku faka hip hop yi fika yi xigaza xi yima a teka only some of the elements ta xigaza ivi a continue na varini na drumming ya hip hop.
Yes.
ivi ri tlhela ri heta ri vuya ri nghena xigazini. So for Metro to put hip hop exactly ka beat ya xigaza like the way he does it, that's a talent.
That's great. And he's one of the few lava mkumaku. Anishina baby face. Shirande tungwatla. So his music will always be will always make it to our ears.
Yes, yeah.
Sorry, I will go in lava ingisela ku Metro. Ovula.
Sorry,
mara guys, okay, nikombe kulungisa
management
nikombe kulungisa
ingwadla
leswi. I endleni so I understand ku bila ku vula ku tingwala but just say vavasati.
Okay.
Music loko uza a song loko iza irandwa hi vavasati. That song will blow up.
Vavasati va hambana. Kuna mranda ku aranda ku story ene asinidi ku vangwala. Ku twa ku vavasati.
I know I give up.
So lemon what are baba sat nothing one.
Yeah.
Metro ne ya.
Yeah. So he's one of the people he will always have people to create content for him. Yeah.
Okay, guys, naga ya ga inwana ne le one for the yena vanhu vanharhu tsela vanhu va sikisi mara hi mbirhi ne la ku hi chuka fast la ranga question ku
Eba kege chap.
Sinyani me David masha
Cause ana masha kumbe mtsinyame ze David.
mere yenda njani
I go.
mere le one ku gege chapu le one
Kasi
I umeka makale.
ayer DJ Kashmir. Okay. Nakumbuza question before ingena ka swona man musa about it. How do you feel about artist comparisons? In a sense yaku loko the artist bokishi ufana man. How do you feel about that?
it's good, but it can work negatively for an artist.
Old or new?
Huh?
Old or new or both? Let's say mina no akali ebungena ngwena maybe like hey David shimbela kufana Jojo. See affect them singa affect them negatively.
Singa affect the lower new one because the established one already has a fan base. Look at fan base logo kuta a new artist if kai etla ben mayengan fan base ya ben mayengan even sideline amolo yuko ingeyingise
ngala ku dayela osiya yena
ingeyingise. So it's good sometimes because loko na yo artist ingangenele moya loko yena asikota kukuchela moya you are big.
You're big.
If it were ngaku big
Fana tinsan baloy.
say if guys realize
Hey, tsikangweni ya mina wena. Hey, kwala
Chele moya.
Hey, imanyana.
you realize later kuri sila loko aku tsikani yena evula kuri you are better than them all. Wena loko erikudeni pfala light yakuko. You know one we have when it comes to music industry we have almost nothing to lose. I can say whatever I want to say. When I, as an artist, logo if it's like J John, yeah, it's like J John. But that komba basekiteri ba yena kuri
awumutu. Imaditolo ma wena.
And phela leswi ya swi vulaku president Ben Mayengani ku ran perform la ngana Mr Post as aswindli
Jimna Jack.
Ben Mayengani tsena. It's happening ashigazini. Kokwane swin'wanyana swi lava hi ri na
David I love you.
swin'wana swi
You know I love you.
swin'wana swi lava hi ri na maloyara na ku
ina ro lawyer.
Me te lawyer
Ina ro lawyer.
Te kum lawyer.
ri kona
it's something that is happening ne kume swi vona mo just check ne kuri kuna vanhu lava they are not found around certain people.
Remember as well mfilanga ku
No,
Itaba behind the scene.
nige swi vuli ka Mike
Masta ku wine ni filanga ku
naku mata many ni tikuma ndiri ku receive ka information yo tala so ona tisosi ta mina loko ndiri but it's something that's happening. Most check across the board kuna the artists lady they won't share a stage. So loko we ifika na nhloko leyikulu
Yeah man.
Bamelango de masha.
kasi mangana hlolo ikulu wa le ka music
U hleketelela yena.
no eritra los vuisa ka Xitsonga eritra xilungu loko ri na pride very
big-headed, yeah.
you are big headed ne so los vuisa ka Xichangana so loko wena if ka chela moya i va khomini fana ivi I swi vula wena I ku va twa hi mina
Kumoko
va ta fika va ku komba ku the color industry leyi yi ri kona. So it's something that's happening.
kumbe xa michaka ku vula ku so i artist yin'wana yi nga kwatisa mfundhisi vhiki leri
Sweswo swa ni swi twa.
a yona ku na mfundhisi van'wana va kwate ku tala
Yeah, kuna artist
leswi a ku delela leswi a nga swi endla leswi a ku delela mi swi twani a ndza swi vula mina a ni mind ku ni mi tivisa yona ne pastor Agiazo
Oh, I saw it.
va rambe munhu va tlanga this is a private party
tava ku na vanhu va so.
youngstana a hi munhu
Youngstana.
hi ku ya hi vona a ni yo vona invitation card ya ku va tsale ku private party private party ni ku rhamba ka party ya n'wana wa mina youngstana va ta perform and then va kombisi ku that girl ne she's the biggest fan of youngstana she loves youngstana and a yi lava ku endla party ya xona yi va ya mangatsile mavo and then a fika laha dema u fikini that's the worst part i fikini
And they knew ku ri na vanhu
private
vangani.
part and in'wana it's not like ya munhu kulukumba like ku nga ta va na swilo big ivi a fika ku ni nge perform because ku na less than 60 people
I don't know ne. Ne lexi xi nyangatsaka ngopfu mhaka ku fikini.
yes
Loko a nga fikangi it's something else. A ta ku ni bulukele hi thayere.
hi swin'wana
Efikini. Okay. Let's say it's his primary condition ya ku ani perform la ngari talangiki. Give that girl a moment.
no usually ne swa documentiwa aka na do adi endla sweswo mara it was on a clause loko before me agree before me endla nchumu va ku byela ku ri the club must be full u tshama a tlela somewhere a Pitori a nga perform hi mhaka a yi talangi and a swi ri ka clause
Yes.
but then in this situation ne
A swi nga ri kona.
a hi tivi ku a swi ri kona kumbe a swi nga ri kona or ku humeleli yini mara mfundhisi va kwatile
mara ka mfundzi te ni vurini ku i phati ya n'wana wa mina
But then
the fact that
clause.
Jojo ne, the most important thing u byeriwile ku ri there will be 60 people. I event ya vanhu va 60. So he knew.
and so mfundhisi va vurini
He said it. So he
let's say
knew ku ta ku na vanhu va 60.
Okay, let's say he did not know. Ne? Or let's say his manager did not handle that well.
yeah
Lo n'wi byela ku famba ku na event.
and then
A nga n'wi byeli ku.
and no problem
Mara what he should have done. Okay, there's this child
Who loves me?
who loves you.
exactly
You cannot perform. Have a moment with her.
tshama na yena take pictures
Take pictures.
Yeah.
Hug her. Congratulate her.
maybe say a few words
Say a few words. And then you vulavula na lava nga ku buka ku ri I did not know. I did not know ku ri a ku talangi and mina a ni perform. So you will.
I think a
swi ta swi ve na- So yeah, if we get swi tikomba ingaku if you ako no a ni nge performing ka
ndhawu ya nga talangi.
East. And then it end up looking like
and then imagine ku after swi ri beautiful njhani loko a fika laha demane a swi vona ku ri nambara a yi pfumeli and leswi mi nga swi vula so a xeweta a vula marito manharhu a va ku okay a hi ximbeleni birthday song hinkwenu that's gonna be a great moment ku youngster sang a birthday song for me but this is as a fair okay so leya ka yona ni ta ve yi nghena mi nga zi mi twa ku mi fila njhani ta swi ka mi hlamula ku mi fila njhani hi yona ku na vanhu va compare ku DJ Styles na Shamakhombo how do you feel same line
I think mina have already commented loko mu ku compare
ku mi fila nga ku swi
swi nga ngheni enhlokweni ya size.
lawa mbirhi lawane musi vana no featurana va featurana
They work together.
and then one loko posting watching this kid Shamakhombo because he's the one who pulled him ri xa Matsonga DJ Styles ava ku DJ Styles xa Matsonga I think ku ri vito ra yena out of his name
Va tirha swin'we.
xa Matsonga va tirha swin'we so I think for hina ku hita hi compare Shamakhombo na Sizer okay hina mi nge hi pfali milongo mara vona a va ti languti kahle
Swi nga fiki ka size a nga yi teki.
a nga yi teki yes
A nga ri teki hungu rero.
is better than
You are
Shamakhombo.
better than Shamakhombo because swi ta hela swi fike kun'wana ko fana na kwalaya. Hambiloko ku na ku swi twa pe ku na swin'wana ni swi twa hi one lava na va tlula la. Nga swi kuli.
Swi kona ku sitwa
Lava va tlula lava. Mara you should not let it out your mouth.
One thing I can say, ne? And then it's starting like Facebook. One thing I can say, you will never ever replace an original copy. Loko kuve wena, you are a copy ya that person. Unge replace the original copy. Na sweswi loko wo teka sticker xa Shangani Gang sweswi ne. Loko u ya xikopa we u xikopa laya. U fika u xi paste ivi fika I paste na original copy. Swi nge fani. That copy will never replace the original. So another thing I can say, I don't know what size of that kanjani, but I have to say it. Akungata na size ungarina xa makhombo.
That point ne yi support lewa nyo swi nga ngeni ngcondweni.
Yes.
Fana ngise swile swimbirhi leswi.
Yes, I will remind you. There was Gondi Boy because of Ben Mayengani. Loko Gondi Boy angena vanhu va n'wi tiva. It's because Gondi Boy, yes, u dumi swo. A kopela Ben Mayengani. So Gondi Boy anga ta va kona, the voice leyi a yi tirhisaka Gondi Boy a yi nga ta va kona if there was no Ben Mayengani.
Okay, ba izolo ka na ka rene la a la ku tsekela size xa makhombo Gondi na Ben Mayengani. Van'wana va ri oga i the new version ya Gab wa marimba.
They might be right, wrong, right.
Okay.
Mara Oga is different.
Oga
It's different.
It's different.
Oga can write.
Yes, Oga can write.
No, I think I will like the
voice.
The sound.
Yeah, maybe aniswitu ngopfu na switwa mara aniswitu ngopfu.
Mara yeah, Ogala.
Lexi nga xi endla ku swi hlupha ku va compare I ku ava fambi
line ya one.
so yela.
Okay, so very silentness titsongo ne. So nto benchuza leswi mbona ku
Na khoza le.
swona. Ikhosa ngabulabula
Because undla zomka.
Okay, here's the thing, lako itekela two ne. The two last points ne. This guy man, how to Stuff logo
Okay.
How do you feel about this guy, man? What's this guy? Simka. His sound. His Chikaza sound.
That's
Diri Chikaza Shama 2050.
Isho shisa lechani shivolo. Watsundukala kuno kuna misa unwanyani. Angatsala posting one. Yelwa nungolo.
She said it's a child. That his production ne is
Tsikani khosa man.
Khosa imanyana ya.
Mono we ngisela bo botre na pita mo golongo langa anganye ngati input.
Oranda Gashmira lo yangutsikeni.
Ai.
Eka mic khosa.
Tekan
Mara oranda Gashmira ne. Mara oranda Gashmira ne.
Okay, before mla point ngwana just confess ku you love Kashmir.
No, Kashmira is good.
Okay, I said Mengama train.
Ayer Matrin. Okay. So that guy is good.
Yes.
Very good.
His music is different.
Yeah.
Me personally, I love different sounds.
Yeah.
Not anything. Every day. That guy came up with a new thing. It's a new sound. It's good. But logomo yingisera, there is a shortage of something. The vocals. I think the sound is good, but he maybe understood that the vocals starting disagree.
You can comment.
No comment as much.
The vocal tingava tiri kona ne, but they are very low.
Ndakunyika nkarhi.
Pala kwala masha.
Ndaku seketela mhaka leyi vuliwaka hi Khosa ne. I think loko hi sungula ku vulavula hi misa luya.
Loko ni mi tivisa yena.
Loko u hi tivisa yena ne. Loko u hi tivisa yena ne. Loko u hi tivisa yena. There's 3 or 4 songs leti meaning afika no eish. This guy afane akumiti the vocalist. But ne hetelele ni twisisa ku misa luyane is new. Maybe over that thing ya ku I won't afford the vocalist, that's all. I won't afford these people. So I rather release what I have van vaswitwa. Maybe next time. Ndakuma ina.
Okay, Mina, I spoke to him. We were on a call, a very long call. for that matter, and it was about the vocal. Okay, he will definitely come.
Okay.
I'll make sure. That's his vision. Because I spoke to him. We should make you should try to get vocalists. And yeah, it's
You. After take your show, you.
yeah. Yeah. So, but it seems like you wanna bring something new
Different.
in a way. Yago. Ela shigaza show yingiseriwa, not show chiniwa. Njani na sufana na when it comes to house Afro, kuna tin'wanyana ta ku akulavi ti vocal to tala loko mo check kuna ti guitar kuna ti variant kuna ti trumpet kuna ti saxophone
demand, yeah.
so those things loko so la ku tateriwa ti vocal
Stop for nya.
swi vula ku ri some of those things swi fanele swi susiwa because i nge faki saxophone
Na vocal.
na vocal
Yeah.
and swi ri swi vula ku hi ta fanele hi hunguta saxophone
You chela vocal.
hi chela vocal
Which can actually change your new sound.
your new sound. So men suggest that why don't we make songs and remix? Like, okay, we have a
full version
song
without vocal.
ne? And then it's ka remix, like every song comes out with a remix. Ka remix in la leswi ya swi lavisaka swona so ku yimbeleriwa 2 lines, ku yimbeleriwa 3 lines. Mara I think he's coming up with something dope. Something worth listening to. Loko mi nga n'wi tivisi mi famba mi ya cheka Simka on digital platforms, and is huge ka
TikTok.
ka YouTube. His YouTube, I think it has almost 7,000 because of Afro. Afro ina vanhu lava hi rhandza.
Means you will fall in love with it.
I'll check it.
Sorry, I mean bon leshinyamin.
Afrotech.
Na swisisa swilo leswi va swi vulavulaka Mr. David Neko. It's new sound. It's something different, which I just said at the beginning. I like it. It's different. It's a new sound. It's good. But at the same time, there's a sound of Gaza and then Gayon. Which Shigaza, normally what when we listen to Shigaza, we want to hear vocals at the same time. Ashgaza ne laba story. There's the storylines behind the Simtash Gas. I like what you suggested. You can release a song laying out the vocals and then have remixes. Ila say when you bring back what Jojo Marlek. Jojo Marlek had songs that had vocals and then you are not remix. So to balance the two, because Ogense sound yash Gaza, you have to have vocals. But at the same time, for him to continue with his vision, also do remixes on the same things. So, the song is good. It's very, I'm not going to lie, that sound is good.
That sound is very
But he shot at the vocals because that's who we are as Chigaza people. And the
that man in a problem. You go, big artists are texting him, né? But they don't want to repost his work. They want to buy the beats and things like that. And what will happen, Ego? Let's say a big artist buy a beat from him. Ida tiveka kuri a sound ya man leyin. Wakwa ninganika example man.
You can give an example, J. John. If I shower J. John.
Let's say Kushava J. John. But J. John shitena sound leyin. While the pioneer of that sound is Simka and yemukuma ku angele kudeni ka kanchumu bantwana bangutivi even though ngozi beat that time wanguniketa maybe 10% na 500 leswi nga ta ka swi nga cinci vutomi bya munhu
leswi cinceni ka vutomi bya riff sweswi but wakhala a shot bela ti beat u to kuna riff shot bela swona at least na light nyana So mina bought Simkhane. Local cost at that point, I get it, ne? And then if I'm na cost because first time nito that guy. Nito it clip a TikTok, ne? Not like TikTok. Belanda music ashwa. There's one voice linga tamhlekete nami. Mula wa imbela ne mara. Anga kumi enough listeners or that deserve. But I man hlekete nami the blush. I don't know how mara the blush ne no that voice logo yo ngena ka demon lo.
You're right.
Ngaba na sa. So I don't know. I in little socks one but this is what we think. Maybe a few focus. So I in the remix. As I maybe man don't want to slow man are not vocal settle because I only know make me smile.
No, I what the tafan.
Oh, the fun of no make me smile. Yeah, and don't make me smile.
Okay.
Tini SIM card. SIM card. Imani SIM card.
SIM card.
SIM card. Pure album ya Black Chinese.
Yes.
Yeah. The sound the them the twin.
Kucha yes mka. Oh, because I go I thought it boiling.
Why? The bug guy.
Black Chinese.
From the first song to the last song.
Don't disappoint me.
Jojo.
I'm being honest with you, from the Rasela man.
Jojo, imanyana. Please go revisit the album and then come back and tell us.
Please revisit.
Revisit that. That lady, she's good.
What was my problem? They posting early this year, January. No go this year. I'm giving you this year. Run lembene roba rangwe. You gonna mtemba ntemus. No show Black Chinese. No go I can't ngibulanga ngizena son. I don't know Grantena man. No, I'm giving you good namtemba. Me na vocally you are good, ne?
Yeah.
Mara.
Hey Jojo, I humbly request ne Jojo ne. Yingisela futhi ungarina judgment you had high hopes ne for yena ne.
Just listen.
Then
to that.
you just listen.
And
Vocal wise, the sound it's different. Like
different.
It's very different. Ungala kuyingisela Gaza yingisela that thing. That EP. Me yingisela Mr. David. I'm saying sel. Me
That correct ngwina sis. Cool. If our yingiseli with that mentality as Gaza, why don't we give Simka the same grade?
No, because you're nanga Tangish Gaza, Black Chinese.
Oh, okay.
Like and mata chingwa chinga kunifika so nifika so mata wanifika so iko that album ni moni poster eko so yiku ingisala mun lewane even then yana ingisela so ntanga from the first to the last song ne nire kanda ya right one like ni ingisela ne mara okay no mara teni pinda foot na ingisela kangote teni pinda foot
and then mal kawashi loko yingisela
Ayingangena notification.
Yingisela vikelera
But you what that umention blush ne. Loko mention blush ntsunduka.
Yes, blush on yeah kama na ngete ne banyeka lembeler.
Ntsunduka the song lay mus anga release ana blush sis. I don't understand why Gaza is blue-ticking this guy. I don't understand why.
I think no lovely enough.
Yeah, but then this song is good. That song is good, and ayingoma yaku ufana uthamazi utihleketa lokhu uyingisela. Iyo ngoma ya tingwala yale
mina I think no
go kumata yini le shi baba ngopfu music. You can do everything right. You can do everything right. So she's vula ku endla content. Feature at artist la duma. Bana ti beat ta so ndana sound ya so. At the end of the day, of course, all right, messing.
Okay,
and Mus way and
Mus
in la content.
Yeah, ngana Mus. Anata vuya kwa logo ngana.
So ngarunga.
Sorry, ko correct ka leswa mwana mutsa swona Mr. David. So why inganyiki the same grace ka or nga judge the same ka Black Chinese. Ka misalo ya wa ti trumpet cha ku vula vito ra yena ni nga ri vuli right
I sim card mara
Sim card.
msuza D
sim card
yeah sim card yeah SIMCA
sim card
sim card na movha sim card
yeah
okay so misa luya ne u tlanga tinghoma leti hina hi tolovela ku hi fane hi cina hi tona man twisanyana but tirika in a different sound man kumanyana hi leswi hi ngo swi vula ku i xigaza u tlanga xigaza xa ma 2050 man twisisa so Black Chinese a hi tinghoma leti to mita ku i xigaza
mata tinjani
i tinghoma leti to u fanele u tshama hansi u ti yingisela
tin'wana nga ku is the new Khatisa Chabalala
yes
and they vulavula hi swona
loko hi tlanga data loko ni kuma ni vule the same comment i Khatisa Chabalala le i the same ta Khatisa Chabalala
va wrong mo velu va ka va confessana that's the problem
no a ti maka to convinceana misa loyi
No, I.
okay ya fale lewana mashava ya fale lewana ba kwini ba imbeleri ba shi ba gospel ba ya Xitsonga
Wako.
like Xitsonga gospel you promote that much or they are too spiritual or abatalangi
No, aku ka gospel. Swa tika ku ba hit. Ngopfungopfu loko ri i kuma ku i ba hit ya gospel ya Xitsonga. Because gospel is some music that you listen over time. It's not a moment music. Risimu ra gospel landa risimu ra gospel ra 2001. You find out today that it's a hit. So I think it's one
ku fana ra James Shimangi na va kongelela ka hit na swi
James Shimanga ile ku humeseni. But are people listening now? That's why as a gospel musician, mina what I would advise, if possible, muna asunguli ku imbelela, asunguli ku humesa music wa live, because the musician ta gospel leti tinga ku twakaleni music wa to tala wu uma uri ti live recording and things like that.
ala wo
Mara loko
ko miss life mbula ku tivana vutomi wo mbula ku
it should be live sessions.
Oh, live sessions.
It should be a live session because lesweso etafka iba late at James Shimang. It worked at that time. Mara sweswi people want to be in a moment. Loko mi yingisela an album ya linga recordwa live. You get in the moment because it wanna crowd you experience the same thing. Leswi I was experience and that time. Mara sweswi ikuma ku loko ikuma ku wo ti bela kumele producer and the producer leti nga ko to tala ti ba xigaza they have limited knowledge
but ta gazelize your music fana man ndo sikomza
mara there's one guy
wa AI
ka Xitsonga that guy is still doing good and angaphila Themba Nyati
yeah
Themba Nyati is
doing
doing
good maybe udwa good maku uteka gig tin'wana it could be the reason
why you take gig tin'wana
no agar kwa Jojo
ani vazalwana ava
oh yeah you're right and you know one thing I like about Themba Nyati it's like you know there's one thing I don't understand about vanhu ne ungati byela ku vanhu ava yi tivi ngoma ya wena or ava ti tivi tingoma because misalo engwanya loko Akani ya stage he's got his people but ti tiva tingoma ta Diamond they sing along and all that
and malala tis ka Jojo ne
yes
I wasn't expecting the crowd to pull like that
and
nakumkuma ku music uri kudleni uri performing kahle because lo mo chaya tingoma to tala ta gospel even ta Xitsonga mukuma ti views ti ri kahle mara music wa gospel awu criticizeki and awu praiseki
imakubete ntuyeso akuniyimbelela so
so awu criticizeki so there's no much conversation happening online
in music gospel
unlike Shigaze ngata ku byela ku ngoma ya we I chai no mara when it comes to swa faila sweswe mara when it comes to
Ingathi awara wala before nyika khosa
unlike umjoko a pfale
when it comes to gospel vanhu va humesa leswi va swi humesaka vanhu va yingisela kumbe va nga yingiseli without taking it to Twitter, Facebook and
lenyala u xivula Mr David ne meni tlwele kerekeni ne tlanga piano ne
milongeni moya
ne swana na tlanga piano moya proma ko yini ne
mari kerekeni
le kerekeni na mkhansa kerekeni mata ko yini Mr David
so Jojo before hinda ne ka timhaka ta gospel wa tsundzuka loko hi ri ka muganga lolonene wa tsundzuka ngwenya le
sipoma khabani big fish
wa tsundzuka ku humelela yini
big fish
u swi vona ku humelela yini
even then loko xi heta va nghenisa vanhu
yi tshika leswi va nga swi nghenisa ndhawu di by stadium ne vanhu va gospel xin'wana mi fanele mi xi langutisa hi Mr David those people know how to perform
swinene
good
performance ne those guys ku hava ani la ku n'wana na un'wana la ka xigazeni loko ku ri ku va ta ndzonda a mi swi koti ku performa ku fika ka artist at gospel that guy ne Mr David ka munghana lonene ne hi yima hinkwenu ne ku no guys there's something happening here misa lo control ka crowd and only with his mic crowd he was singing along loko duku hine batima music kusa crowd kha yimbelela ay nga pfala se
kuna Mr Long that's I'm asking
if you go and check his music it's doing well but it's not something leswi swi vanga ku conversation yako ani phela na loko swa aswi olovinyana kahle ku vula artist ya gospel yi win
mina what I can tell you
na xin'wana xo ku dinla ku xula ne i timhaka ta ku mo loko mbula Mr Longa ne I'm thinking if Mr Longa na Pastor Donation ne aba take bookings like Tembanyati those guys would be doing rounds right now
okay ni mula leswi ne
why mhleketi ya n'we yi hangalaka so
buya buya mina lexi ni nga xi vulaku ne another thing the reason mi nga miyela kwale ndzhaku the reason the artist ta gospel mbona nga ku they are doing well mara va nga ri ku tivekeni ti artist ta gospel ti support wa ngopfu hi vanhu va kereke wankum gaza yi support hi vanhu hinkwavo but I'm telling you ne van ti artist ta gospel na loko vo ka votiwa they have their people vaku
and va
voteriwa loko va kha nghena kereke I've just given an example ungena kerekeni yo fana na ya Bushir you are an artist a kerekeni ya Bushir obviously the whole church is going to support you
ku vha ni pfune ku kwani rikhanyana ni ka more wa sweswiwani ne ka votiwa sweswiwani se mi nyika speech la
M4 vula na ti artist leti ti yimbelelaku yo wo music wale ka rikhanyana cheka mani lo yaku va n'wi support njhani Win Mashava just check how they support her but
na yena loko a giga Win Mashava
i dokodela na yena ne yes but ayikona that conversation ya ku vulavula hi Win Mashava and all
mara guys you know when these conversations ne there were concerts before namanta attend ba kuna worship saints yendla concert ya release kuna JWP kuna worship house ba record live like just one aswa har kona like
swa har ko
slugwi
swa har kona it's a matter of what's in your algorithm kuna vanhu yan lavan va attenda ku chata kuna vola va attenda ku ti concert
mara you are disappointing me
mena algorithm ya mina ne ifane ya
no let's not talk about the algorithm let's not talk about yes that's why no disappoint wa tlanga kerekeni mara anga Steve
no I vulavuleni kahle one content ya n'wina aya mi tiseli ti-poster tele ta ti-concert telena ku na vanhu van'wanyana some they are not even Christian they just love live music ti-concert tale mi fika mi cinca algorithm ya n'we mi cheka you will find a lot of people and it's fully packed ti-event ta le kerekeni mara a ni ma vona na loko artist ya gospel yi tata stadium for example a yi teki glory ku ri ni swi ndlini it's all about all thanks to God so a nga ti boast hi swona
so na maphepha va tsali swona ti-journalist and so forth a va swi vulavuli leswi somehow
so hi twana ne
ni komba
But Dr. Tuli, they are always
no I leswi mi nga swi vula ne what I'm saying is loko mbavula hi ti-concerts ne not because the wants more six ne I gospel musician ya Mtsonga mara ne I will never miss his work because like I know man kuna musa worship kuna vosa it's a gospel choir ne kuna votsana gospel I know those things I know they are hosting where so sona sta mara anula ku vya ka magazi so loko me go kuna concert mara man Steve it's not like Steve ti ko le diva mara ta magazi tintsonga a swa fana ka zano khala a ku ri na vo your worship house your what there's no way else to kuna spirit of praise what so my question is ka Gaza are they doing those concerts okay nga Steve kumbexani they are not
vo JWP swi off
hey phanda phanda yo JWP
yi fina swona man
yeah JWP yeah we seen
ku hi kota ku yi pfala na ku a ni ma vona it's at the end of the day when it comes to concerts swi na ku endla mali swi na ti-sponsor kuma ku ti-sponsor leti nga kona for the event i Castle Light and then it's a gospel
event
it's a gospel event mfika mkuma ku ri it's a club mara mkuma ku a hi nge va ku na concert mara ya gospel mara ile clubini mfika mkuma ku ri ti-artist swi fika swi nga hlangani ku endhawu yo nwa byala audience leyi vanhu va yi nidaku and then kuma ku ya nwa mara hi mhaka ku hi le kerekeni a hi la ku nwa kerekeni
Mkombo ku Jesu n'wana
na le 17 a swi endliwa hi Sundays
kombo ku Jesu n'wana
eve hi pfala
ku hava vanhu vo nwa byala ku fana na vanhu lava ndlaku ti-concentrato ta gospel
no a hi analyze music
lomo langutisa clip ya Themba Nyathi ka J John vulavuli swona the same thing ku yena ti gig ta yena u rhandza nguli ti to taniya
mabyala
yes and then xin'wana lomo xi langutisa loko langutisa kahle hi vutomi bya Yesu a rhandza ku tshama na vanhu manjani because you can't save the already saved as well.
Pastor Hagiazo once said it.
Se ta kun'wana se milangisa no Pastor Hagiazo because na ani swi hlekete ku mi ta fika mi nghena loko mi ku yi famba tini yini
no I think loko mi kuma nkarhi mi susa welcome to Gena Mvekela
okay guys la a hi ri vunangeni khensi ngopfu Mr David ku va mbuyini ta tlhe mi vitana futhi hi vana ku va busy nyana man
na mina mfana vana ku va
ku a koti ku mkhumba DJ khensi ngopfu loko mi sukile mi suka kona mi sika mi nga swi tshika mi ta lawa swi vava ngopfu ku tlakula munhu wa bandi manharhu a sika kona ta lawa ta record swa tika
matan mahleketa loko se ni ri N12
a fa mi jiki mi tlhe swa
swi nga
mi tshama na swona wa mi fa mi tshama hakarheni
ma fane ma tshama
okay guys
yi mbale vivid kitchen ka yi hakarha bandi
okay guys hi ta hlangana futhi ka episode leyi n'wanyani with your academic DJ Dee Roka okay 3 times graduate mi swi tsundzuka Matsonga ma ka hina ne loko mi kha mi hi languta so ti-views ha ti lava na ti-subscribers ha ti lava so
yes
after watching please press subscribe or loko mi sendela valava mi va sendelaku vanghana maxaka whoever mi n'wi sendelaku please subscribe hi mi rhandza ngopfu
loko mi disagree Siya kwala ka
siya kwala ka comments
Yes,
loko Jojo a ri na nhloko leyikulu Mavula u na nhloko leyikulu loko ni bihile mina Mavula ku ni bihile hi ta swi lunghisa ko va ku biha swi lunghiseki mara ya
nhloko ya lunghiseka
nhloko hi ta yi mbarisa yi dloko
BBL ya nhloko
yeah but thank you so much guys na award leyi hi nga yi wina we won it because of you
thank you very much
thank you so much hi ta va hi kha hi pfala hi ku
Doro
Mi nga sa dorola mi titwa njhani ku va ka podcast and award winning Xitsonga podcast
mina
Navida
mi titwa njhani?
titwa kahle ngopfu ni khomeke kahle ngopfu leswi mi nga ni byela ka mi yi xavangi hayi khome kahle no wonder uma chance ni fanele mi vutisile
no phela n'wina mphati ya yona because hi win award after
Loko mi vhakile.
vhakerile
a ni mi kuma
so
ku
ku na vanhu va 5 lava nga fika va hoxa tithurandi ivi hi win wavo
hayi mhaka ya kahle mhaka yo
and lesiya loko ni ku music is doing rounds ni la ku u le ku chayisiweni
Doro